And after vacation, first
Okay.
week.
Other side, bank.
Temper the bank. Like
No
your
problem.
lordship granted the interim order on the ground that
Against you. Against you.
against
Only.
on Friday lordship can because
ठीक है छुट्टी है जी आओ आओ
your lordship
ओपनिंग ओपनिंग
Yes.
4 तारीख लगा दो चलो
Oblast.
अल्प छुट्टी तो ये कौन हो
I am in item 56, my lord. This is an Anganwadi worker matter. Notice was issued. State has already, today I verified the state has already filed counter. Let it come any day after vacation, first week of January. Lordship direct a copy may be served after me.
Okay. Give me a copy. Give a copy. First
Date may be fixed, my lord.
fifth.
Okay.
I don't have January this calendar. That's why I'm not able to fix the date.
Calendar is not available.
Not violent logo na kode. Kome logo na thi. Logo na.
It is a Friday, my lord.
No calendar violent ko logo na kome. Printing er mo pakra achi printing. Aaj jagi magi logo city.
5th of January is a Friday, my lord. 5th of January is a
Friday कौन सी जानी?
कितने नहीं असुविधा से हम
नहीं I know that 4 5 तो जानी चाहिए बाकी परोटा जानी नहीं
आगे
3 4 5 3 दिन इतने दो चुप तीनटा जानी चाहिए working day बाकी rest you have to see
obliged, my
yes
Item 24, my lord.
24
One vital document which has not been collected.
opposite party की है
State.
आओ
No.
आओ private party नहीं की
No.
ठीक है that is
1 month after.
हाँ
1 month after.
1 month February दे दी लगे तो February दे दे first week receive date को दे दे
Lordship, item 46 need some time to file the replay because on the last week
46
46
opposite party की है
state and some
other डाकी आनंद
state
other डाकी आनंद तू
Lordship state is the party they had filed their counter on last
अरे other किए other party टा किए से आपण पळेबे तार से आसी जगी दियो दिन सारा other party के डाकी आनंद ताकू ना हबनी छरा छरा आटम अंडा
Well, I may be
Item
pardoned.
number one.
I have
All the
filed an
parties
IA in a
Pardon me,
revision.
Lordship, all the parties are state only.
all the state पक्का ना
Yes, my lord.
the state वाला ठीक है
That's-
केबे दरकार
After vacation.
after vacation से ले जाओ second week दे दे डेट for working day yes
Such I may be pardoned. I filed an IA in a criminal revision for stay of execution. 2 other execution proceedings have been stayed.
day after
Lodged
tomorrow.
by this.
day after tomorrow
Grateful.
ହେଲା ଏତିକି ହେଲା ନା ଆଉ କିଛି ଅଛି
But the only problem with tomorrow is the date fix. If your lordship can grant.
I can't help sorry sir I can't help what to do डेट फिक्स ହେଇଗଲା ହେଇଗଲା କଣ ଏ ସଦିନ ଦେଶରେ ବାସି ଗଲା ଭଳିଆ ହଉଛନ୍ତି କାଲି ଡେଟ୍ ଫିକ୍ସ ହେଲେ କାଲି ପୁରା ଆପଣ ଘର ଦ୍ୱାର ସବୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେବି ନା କଣ ଆଉ ସେମିତି ହେଲେ କହିବି ନହେଲେ ଏମିତି ଖାଲି ଡେଟ୍ ଫିକ୍ସ ହେଇଗଲା ହେଇଗଲା ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ କରିପାରିବେନି
Item 1.
the annex 2 has been impugned in this criminal revision.
सर कौन केस टा कौन तू टू इम्प्यून फिल्म पछे कहबे
Lordship has admitted the
व्हाट इज द इशू
issue relating my lord the informant in fact has availed a loan at one
सा ये
date.
कौन लीगल प्रेग्नेबिलिटी माने कौन मैं हिंदी वर्ड में फास्ट फास्ट सुनुची थी
Yes, lords, there is a term.
What is the
I
pregnability? I
judgment
don't
I quoted from that judgment also.
प्रेग्नेबिलिटी माने कौन मु जानती
Paternity.
एंती आजिकल नो जज माने नो नो वर्ड माने इन्वेंट कर दोछथि
A very initiation of the proceeding.
मीनिंग टा बुझान
Very initiation of the proceeding.
हां
Very initiation of the proceeding. That is.
बाबा ए वर्ड को डिक्शनरी नहीं है मु गारंटी दोछी
But I said it's
मु केबे
very
देखि
judgment. I read that police letter also.
क्या क्या लिखते लोग
Honorable Justice Lord Deepak Misra.
दीपक मिश्र सर लिखंतु कि जाऊ के लिखंतु आई एम नॉट ऑन दैट आई एम से व्हाट लिख आपण तो जानिबा कथा ना आपण जानिबा कथा
Yes.
हां I
Yeah, that's- it is
I
very-
can understand see I can understand there are words like see the word is there in dictionary but this word I have never seen in dictionary
Yes, Lord. Yes, that is not there.
dictionary नाही मु कहूची बरा
Nahi, I know.
Ah. because till recently I don't have actually time till recently I used to carry a dictionary in my pocket everywhere wherever I go wherever I time find just a few words I use so
That's-
almost at least even I don't remember I have the acquaintance with the words that's why I have not seen anyway tell me
Let's see. Yes. Yes. Lordship, the Lordship has, after hearing, Lordship admitted the criminal revision on 23/11/2023 Lordship has, your Lordship has directed me to file an IA for impleting the informant as a party.
You have
Actually, I had filed a IA.
IA.
That is all record, my lord. IA 865 by
So I'm
2023.
allowing the IA.
Yes,
I file the consolidated cost.
yes, I had also filed
The
the.
IA file by the land traffic petition is allowed and let it file the consolidated memo of party and sub a copy on the other party.
It is
And
already on
issue,
record.
issue notice to the newly implemented part.
Lordship.
By registered post. हाँ
I will
consolidated
file.
consolidated करला पड़े
I
तो कर दे आप कितने आंसर लगे भी सकेंगे
ଗୋଟେ
आज
page
ही एगा during the course of the file कर दो
ଗୋଟେ ସମୟ କାରଣ ମୁଁ ଆଜି ready କଲି one
ଆପଣ
day by tomorrow by
notice से बंद करो अब notice से ताला बंद
no, no, by tomorrow I will file and also along with it.
tomorrow लगा ଆପଣ କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ ସେ ଆଜି ଦିନେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେ କେତେ ସମୟ
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
ଲାଗିବ ଗୋଟେ ପେଜ ରେ କଥା
Lordship.
ହଁ କରିଦେ ଆଜି କରିଦେ petitioner undertakes to file the consolidated cost title during the course of the day ହେଲା
Lordship. Lordship, further proceeding has been stayed. The entry ought to continue.
it has been stayed already
My lord.
it has been stayed already
Yes, yes, yes. That
Entry to continue yes next
Lordship, keep it fix up date. Lordship. Sort it out.
छुट्टी पर है
Aye.
ओके वैसे ही 5 बजे नेक्स्ट
Lordship, past.
Item number
Plus
8
5 day I will publish.
4 Four.
Yes,
Fourth. next
Item number 2.
Item number 2, my lords. Today's date fixed for my lords the submission of written note, my lords.
you have prepared
Yes, my lord. Your lordship.
it is that matter that this cable
Yes, yes.
working
Yes.
Airtel
Including all the
Airtel
judgment. Yes, my lord. Including all the judgment, my lords.
okay very good excellent very good I order reject huh?
Grateful.
Item number 3.
3 you have given the paragraph also
Yes,
Very-
paragraph. and
very good.
including all the judgments.
that is what we actually require unfortunately very
Each and
few
every
of
paragraph.
these people they really help the court बाकी एंड खाली हाँ कर दे बोले अब गायब हो जाओ तो देबेनी तापर गुड़ था ताको पछे केते मैटर गुड़ा सॉरी पर नहीं बोल जो रिटन नोट दे देम बिकॉज़ आई एम स्लाइटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन दिस नोट्स बिकॉज़ काहे ना जो ड्राफ्टिंग रे जहां करा हो जे से हायर टर्न मते बुझा पड़ेनी बोले नोट मागे मैक्सिमम जाय हायर टर्न किछि जानि से कथा दुई थर तीन थर चार थर पांच थर रिपीटेशन रे मास्टर पूरा किसी लोग सही सेटा को बुले बंके के लिखुतबे दरकार नहीं गोटे पेज रे हो ताको लंबेई 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 पूरा एकदम से चलथि oh very good that's good next
Grateful.
Item number 3.
With due permission, I may be permitted to plead on behalf
हाँ
of.
yes
But this is the
3
case-
3
Item 3. The case here is, my lord's Domestic Violence Act. I'll just present it and thereafter we'll go to the documents. Here, my lords, the boy was from both. He is an educated boy. Parents residing from Western Odisha. He got married. to
yeah
a
for the
girl.
boy
Boy. The I am for the I am for
please please don't talk inside clothes please those who want to talk go outside and talk no problem
He got a job in JSPL for 15,000 rupees initially. The marriage was solemnized on 6/7/2007. The girl was from this side, from Bhubaneswar, and she was an educated girl having an MBA qualification. MBA along with interior designing and other things she had done.
okay
Her interest from the very beginning was
Hmm.
that she should reside in Bhubaneswar
okay
along with her in-laws.
okay
The marriage solemnized on 6/7/2007. After 8 months, the husband got a quarter in JSPL in Raigad. He was posted in Raigad after 3 months because he was a bachelor that time.
Hmm.
Then the wife went along. He said that I'll take my wife after 3 months. For that 3 months, he stayed in with her in-laws
Hmm.
at Bhubaneswar.
Hmm.
Thereafter, my lords, in December 2007, he went to Raigad. Date of marriage is July 2007. December 2007, she went and stayed there. After 15 days, her parents arrived. In-law stayed with them.
Mhm.
She was pregnant in April 2008. It was
Okay.
detected that she was pregnant.
Mhm.
And on 23rd/5/2008, returned back
Yep.
and went with her to her in-law's place, and the child was delivered. So altogether, the tenure was 8 to 9 months of stay.
so what is the issue
The stay was after 9 months, he left. Voluntarily deserted that unless you
no
take
today
back.
what is this for
This is a domestic violence act case. A case was filed after 9 years.
no
of
that I
requirement.
know
interim order was when
Oh,
passed
file after 9 years.
after 9 years.
So she was not
This,
staying with
yes, the proceeding was quashed as by Lord Chief Justice, Annexure 5.
you.
The Domestic Violence Act and the proceeding was against the in-laws after 8 to 9 years with no allegation against the husband. And that proceeding was challenged
So
in
you
the
want to
CRLMC
quash
number.
that?
My lord,
We want to quash that.
that was quashed
No, no.
by this honorable court. As
Yes.
against the husband, it was just allowed to continue.
So this is also you want to quash.
This also I wanted that initially this
Okay, it is
order
quashed.
of interim maintenance may be stayed at
Okay. After 8 years.
after 9 years.
So you
8
issue
years,
notice
yeah.
to करो तब quash
Notice
करो.
and stay of further proceeding in the.
Or stay for the issue notice to the opposite party. This is a quashable case. Actually, 8 years after this doesn't make any sense.
That is exactly.
If you have stayed only 3 months, 8 years, just a misuse of the.
And he is pursuing in 125 maintenance,
Yes.
then in
Yeah,
matter of
all continue.
divorce. Also.
Okay, issue notice to opposite party. Opposite party, what is this? Nahi. Acha. Both
Husband and
mother and son.
mother and son.
They are together.
They are together.
Okay.
Child को भी हमको दिखाई देना है. He has taken.
Okay. Issue notice to opposite party 1 and 2. Let's see. Stay of I could 806.
706 of 2016.
806 na?
706.
706, you have written 806 na? Lego. Please further. This court for the direction. Stay the proceedings in CMC number 706 of 2016 pending finalization of the. It's pending before the JMFC Bhubaneswar. क्या लिख दो भाई ढंग से तो प्रेयर लिखा करो. Finalization the pending in the file of pending in the file लिखे finalization लिख दो. वाह वाह. JMFC Bhubaneswar. And also stay the operation of the order dated 24/6/2022 in CMC number 706 of 2016. Hello. Issue notice returnable on February February 1st.
Criminal execution case to file it, that also may be changed.
Criminal
Criminal
also criminal execution 1 2 3 कर दो वाला 1 2 3 like this. It is payable. Other proceedings criminal litigation. Next.
Much obliged.
Next.
Item 4.
4.
Out of the demarcation proceeding in the 2017.
Sir, what is the demarcation proceeding to deal with this case?
SC/ST case was quashed.
In my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
What is the case about? मुझे जानी नहीं किसी आपण छड़ा न किसी SCC केस क्वास वाले किन जानी. केस टा कौन दू?
Yes, 2017 जो demarcation proceeding my lord.
So what is the case, sir? Demarcation proceeding रे एक मुकुट कहीं आई वो.
My lord, नहीं.
आपण से demarcation proceeding में बार-बार कहीं को जोंदी. What is the case about? Yes.
My lord, the offences under section 368 was quashed by the Hon'Ble Court in 2021.
Okay.
Out of the my lord criminal case of 2017.
Okay.
So my lord, after it being quashed, and my lord, presently the ward member, SC ward member, again filed the complaint, my lord. Again, same allegation. My lord,
This is for quashing.
It is posted for constitution of charge. Annexure 7. Yes.
Go order against SC.
Yes, ma'am.
Order टा देखा.
66.
60?
Page 66, my lord. Accused are absent but allowed to be represented under section 317 service today only. Counsel for the accused filed petition for time. Or it is allowed put up on 3/10/23 for consideration of charge.
So charge आपण को.
Second time after it being quashed, when the again the complaint case.
Person files petition playing for time on the ground section. Here some कितने number को order कर ले?
It page 66 to 923. Page 66. এটা কোয়াস ହେଇଛି
এটা কো accused we are absent but allowed today only counsel for the
ମାନେ ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ ପୁଣି ପୁଣି ଗୋଟେ 2022 ରେ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କେସ୍ କରିଛି
এটা কোন এটা কোন অর্ডারটা এই অর্ডারটা মধ্যে একটু বুঝাନ୍ତି এটা কোনটা ইন্টারফেয়ার করবি
সেইଥିରେ after the initial order of the Hon'Ble court, second time we got.
Sir, I am not bothered about what the first court did, what second time. Why today? What are you for?
I am saying, I am submitting as per the liberty granted by this court in CLMC 2000, my lord.
Sir, say liberty period ছাড়ি করে আজি কোন পাই আছেন কোন মধ্যে?
We may be discharged under section 2.
Where is the charge?
Annex of 10, Annex of 10, we have filed a petition. Page 54. Without proceeding.
Sir, order টা দেখান্তু।
Without proceeding ahead.
কোড অর্ডার কাই? আপনি চ্যালেঞ্জ করিবে সে অর্ডারটা দেখ।
নাই মানে মু সেটা ক্লিয়ার করছিলি যে without proceeding ahead for consideration of charge our petition under section 245(2) CRPC may be looked into before framing of charge, but this petition is ignored and it is being registered by the special court.
But order কাই? অর্ডারটা দেখো না আপনি আপনি সব দেখুଛନ୍ତି অর্ডারটা দেখুন ও অর্ডার आपको अगेंस्ट আপনি আছে দেখুন
3-10-23
ଏ 3-10-23 କଣ ଅଛି ଅର୍ଡର
for consideration of charge.
କାଇଁ କୋଉଠି
Page 60 last sentence. Put up on 3-10-23 for consideration of charge.
କୋଉଠି
Page
2-9-23 ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି ଆଉ 3-10 କୋଉଠି ଆଇଲା ସାର୍ 2-9
3-10-23 ରେ ଆଉ ଦିଟା ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି
ତ କାଇଁ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଯୋଉଟା ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ନା କେମିତି ଗଣି
ନାଇଁ no yes no it is once the offense is quashed.
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ତ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
But let it be adjourned. Because the
ମୁଁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରୁଛି ଅନନେସେସରି ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରୁଛି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ଲଗାଉନାହାନ୍ତି
ଗୋଟେ punishment class ହେଇଛି
ନା ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ
ସେମ୍ କଜ
ଓକେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଇନ୍ ଫେବ୍ରୁଆରୀ ଲାଗୁ ଏବେ କଣ ତରବର ଅଛି ଫେବ୍ରୁଆରୀ 1st ଲାଗୁ କିଛି ହରବର ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ତରବର ନାହିଁ ତରବର ଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଲଗେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ସବୁ ଅର୍ଡର ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 5.
May I please? My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner has filed the application under section 311
ସାର୍ ସେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ କଣ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସିଧା ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବୁଲନ୍ତୁନି ମୁଁ କୋଉ ସେକ୍ସନ ଏଟା ଜାଣିଲା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କି ଏତିକି
Sorry,
ଫିର ସିଧା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ ଆवे what is the issue
the case is posted for
posted which forget it what is the issue married
on the date of posting, my lord, IO has been examined, my lord, but subsequently the counsel for the accused petitioner, he was absent on the date fixed, my lord. Thereafter, the Leonard court below, without given an opportunity
କିଛି opportunity ଠିକ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆସିବେନି opportunity କହିଲେ ହବନି
a single day.
ଆପଣ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଫିଙ୍ଗଲ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ସେ ଡିଲେ করে ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ଏମିତି ଡିଲେ
No, there is no.
ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟ ଡିଲେ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଏପଟ ଭଳିଆ ଏମିତି
My lord, on the next date, my lord, the petitioner has filed the application under section 311 CRPC. The Leonard court below rejected the bail application.
for what
For recall the investigation.
How
IO, my lord, advocate, my lord, should be.
you're
give-
just only wasting the time of the court
My lord,
କାହିଁକି
IO is
advocate ନହେଲା ସବୁ advocate ନାଁ ଦୋଷ ଦେଇ ପଡିବ advocate against କଣ action ଲାଗିଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୋତେ
my
what
lord,
action you have taken against the advocate
my lord, my humble.
advocate କଲାନି ତାହେଲେ କଣ action ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
My lord, there is a provision, your lordship.
Ah.
If advocate is absent, thereafter the Leonard court below should appoint another advocate through legal aid, my lord. As because my lord, he is in UTP, my lord. That opportunity has not given by the Leonard court.
legal aid ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ ସେ legal aid କେମିତି
Yes, my lord. But now the cross examination has been declined, my lord. The fair trial of the petitioner, my lord, violated, your lordship. This is the
you can take notice
my lord. Yes.
targeted trial ରେ କଲା ଆପଣ ଖସିବେ କେମିତି ଆପଣ
My lord, ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କହୁନି ମତେ fair trial ର opportunity ମତେ ଖାଲି cross
opportunity ମାନେ ଏମିତି କରିକି ଗଡେଇ ଚାଲିଛି
my lord,
ସେଥିପାଇଁ case solve ହେଇଯିବ।
without cross examination, my lord, ସେ ପଳେଇବ jail ଭିତରୁ ସେ ପଳେଇବ jail କୁ, my lord, kindly glance the honorable Supreme Court judgment, my lord,
Supreme Court
in
judgment କଣ?
peace, my lord,
କଣ ଲେଖାହେଇଛି
in any time, my lord,
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
my lord.
Supreme Court judgment doesn't say कि appear न करी कि तापना
Yes, but that has been mentioned in the
read it.
my lord, I'm para 13 years P Sanjeev Rao versus the
Read sir, read. गुटे तो कंजूस बढ़िया गुटे कॉपी आड़िया गुटे
ना, आनी
कोर्ट को
चाहिए।
दवा जानना थी
Anichu.
देवे ना नदी धर के वैसे गुटे पड़ोसी ने तो देखियो केंदी रेड पड़ी एटी तो एसएससी लगे दिया जी काढ ना इंडिया कानून एटा वेबसाइट एथि दोउछन स्टूडेंट माने लॉ स्टूडेंट पढ़िया पे सुविधा ये कोर्ट रे इंडिया कानून कोन दोउछन
Next time करिए।
नेक्स्ट टाइम आसीबनी केबे एमती चलथिबे आपण सब सुधरिबिन तो आपण तो कसम खाइछंती
Sorry यार। मैं para 13 years
पारा 13 आपण वेबसाइट एससीआर रे पूरा डिटेल जहां चाहिए मिलुची सुप्रीम कोर्ट रिपोर्टर गोटे वेबसाइट अछि सुप्रीम कोर्ट साइट रो खोले पाइबे आपण सेटा माने परिश्रम करिबेनी मागणा मिलुची सब କିଛି करिबेनी
ମୁଁ journal ବି ଆଣୁଛି।
जर्नल आइले कोन हबो फ्रीली मिलुची आइले कोन हबो ए इंडिया कानून काढी दोछन ए मुंड गण ठीक ठीक न थाय गोडा भूल भाल थाय कोंतु
मैं para 13 years
ओके
grant of fairest opportunity to the accused to prove his innocence was the object of every fair trial. Observed this court in Hockman Andreas versus Inspector of Custom, Amritsar 2000.
ओके अलाउड
Obliged.
रिपोर्ट कर लो
Fix it back on that.
आओ फिक्स नहीं सीधा उड़े
Lord who will appear and they will proceed that.
हाँ
But
say the
lot of further-
I'll within 1 month will appear within 1 week date the bata and the petitioner is expected to appear before the court
Second additional sessions that court Cuttack manner.
second additional section of Cuttack. Fix a date within 1 week from the presentation of this order. And the petitioner counsel shall appear in the matter, petitioner counsel or the petitioner herself.
The petitioner is in custody.
Yes, sorry. Counsel. Failing which, no further opportunity shall be granted.
Highly obliged. My lord, urgent copy. Obliged.
Next,
Item number 6.
May I please?
next.
May I please? The petition before this revision, the judgment passed by the 2/5/2022, the learned JMFC Bhubaneswari 1CC case number.
Sir, ये सब पढ़ेगा दरकार नहीं
Order
कौन
section
state come to the
138
point, state come to the point.
Sir, the judgment passed under section 138 of.
कारण तो अंदर कौन issue कौन हो
Sir, the petitioner received a GPA from the opposite party. And thereafter, he gave the GPA holder petitioner sold the land one Smita Mahapatra. And in that time, after selling the land, he handed over a check of rupees 20 lakhs. And thereafter, the opposite party filed a case in civil suit to cancellation the GPA, for which the petitioner did not pay the amount. He filed a 1/6 case under section 138 of NI Act. And that after that, the JMFC convicted the accused person, which is running page 29. And he paid to amount rupees 30 lakhs and a cash of fine rupees 20 lakhs and 4-month conviction.
What is your role? I didn't get properly. What is the role?
Sir, I'm the GPA holder. I got the GPA from the opposite party.
Opposite
sell-
party के कितने?
Prasanna Kumar.
Okay.
And to sold the land. And accordingly, I sold the land one Devasmita Mahapatra.
Land to Devasmita Mahapatra. Okay.
By through the GPA. And thereafter, sir, I paid a check rupees of 20 lakhs.
Who paid?
I paid 20 lakhs to the opposite party, Prasanna Kumar, who is the landlord.
Landowner. Okay. Paid the entire amount.
Paid the
Paid
20
the whole
lakhs.
amount.
20 lakhs.
How much amount you received from the Devasmita Mahapatra?
Consideration amount was 40 lakhs. I paid the 20 lakhs.
30 lakh कहीं दिले, 40 lakh कहीं
So
दिले नहीं?
previously, I paid the 20 lakhs.
हाँ?
Previously, I paid the
अब 20 lakh कोड दे प्रॉब्लम देखे ले?
Sir, that was the negotiated, but it was written in one.
कहीं पे है?
Sir,
अच्छा पूरे 40 lakh बिकी 20 lakh
sir, thereafter,
अपन नारे केस कर ले?
she filed a civil case.
very बढ़िया केस कर ले?
Devasmita Mahapatra, he filed a civil case in the name of Devasmita Mahapatra.
की फाइल कर ले?
Opposite party filed a civil case in the name of Devasmita Mahapatra
कहीं?
to cancellation the GP.
Cancellation आपण कर रिपे करा है Devasmita
Cancellation GP as well as the sell deed.
हाँ, रिपे कर सीधा कौन?
And thereafter, when he filed the civil
What is the
case,
problem?
Sir, thereafter he filed a again a 1cc case also against me.
Who?
The opposite party
Owner,
person,
owner.
owner, to recover the entire amount,
Ah.
20 lakhs.
Ah.
So
ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଏବେ?
when civil suit is pending,
Ah.
so I did not pay the amount. I told that you compromise the civil suit, then I will pay. In 130 to enact, the JMFC convicted me.
ଠିକ ଅଛି, ବଢିଆ କରିଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Case ଟେ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, civil case ଟେ କଲେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲିନି।
ହଁ,
Civil case is
ଆପଣ
pending regarding the GP.
no, you are not at all a fair person. ଆପଣ GP holder ହେଇକିରି ଆପଣ ଜଣେ
Sir, he was the present
person-
at the time of sale.
Ah,
Sir, he was the present at the time of sale.
anyway ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଯିବା ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ କେତେ କନଭିକ୍ସନ କେତେ ହେଇଛି?
Conviction ହେଇଛି 4 months and fine ହେଇଛି 20 lakhs.
Okay, admit bail granted.
Sir, bail, stay of fine and bail.
Yeah, fine, bail grant. Okay.
Okay.
List the matter in February 1st को लगा दे, मतलब first को date लगेगा, first को लगा दे, second लगा दे, second लगा दे. Next.
Item number 7.
Right, please, Lord. Well, challenging the order rejecting my application to discharge me, this revision has been filed. And it arises sort of a complaint case wherein the petitioner, while holding court as sub-collector, there is some altercation with the lawyers. So the lawyer filed a complaint case.
What is this? What is this?
Sorry?
I didn't get it. What is this issue?
This application, rejecting my application for discharging me from the case, my lord. On the ground that section 197 has a clear operation, and without obtaining previous sanction, the prosecution could not have proceeded. My lord, brief fact, my lord. The petitioner, after completing his highest training course from outside, from outside Odisha, completing my highest training course, state first joined as a sub-collector in Malkangiri. So even holding court, he was not well acquainted with Odia language also. As per the complaint case,
He's a professional IS.
No, he was professional. He was after completing profession, he joined as first posting as sub-collector. Now he's presently working as RDC Barampur. Sorry, my lord. Malkangiri. Now he's serving as RDC Barampur. My lord, the Lordship kindly see the complaint petition says that in course of holding says that some abusive language.
RDC, he's RDC now.
No, present RDC Barampur.
But this is a case pertaining to which year?
Particular of 2003, my lord.
2003.
2003.
Today?
2000, because I had challenged that but the matter was, I challenged that cognizance order, and that matter was kept pending for so many years in this Hon'Ble court, and it was also had on several occasions, and there was a talk of comprehension and all that. Ultimately, it could not materialize. Therefore, in the meantime, as per the Asian surfacing case, my lord, the case was the trial court took
That
up
is going to die very soon.
Sorry, my lord.
The Asian service is going to die very soon.
So, I know, but Asian surfacing, as per the trial court proceeded with the case, and because of the so I filed a petition to discharge me from the. So, Lordship kindly see my own ground is the section in course of court proceeding. It happened clearly. It is a section 187 has clear application, and there is a Lordship kindly see the complaint petition.
He's scolded.
Sorry, Mel?
He's scolded to the.
Scolded, not scolded actually. The allegation of Lordship
That's my
kindly see.
senior complaint. I am appearing for the complaint. I will explain details.
500 and 506 of Lordship page 18 complaint petition is there. And here the complainant is a senior lawyer, and also all the witnesses are also lawyers of that Malkangiri bar. The complaint petition of Lordship.
Why these kind of things are more in Malkangiri?
Well, previously another sub-collector was also.
Another collector was also.
Yes.
Problem.
And another sub-collector had defended the sub-collector, proceeding was quashed. Another sub-collector also faced him, not with the lawyers, but with other kind of way. But I also got it, and now he is the secretary in the Government of India. C.S. Kumar. Well, page 19 also will see the allegation is. See, ye sort of to direct to me came the procedure से खेबू. This is alleged to be said by the present petitioner. खड़े हो जाओ, बेजा नहीं, निकल जाओ. मो कोर्ट बाहरी जाए इधर ऐसे देखने भी. These are the my humble submission is that section 197 as per 197, if it has close nexus with the offence violence offence committed, then previous sanction of the government is necessary. My lord, Lordship kindly state away, take to the Honorable Supreme Court judgment, judgment, my lord.
Let me first understand the facts.
Well,
this is only one issue.
So only one issue. will
We'll
vanish.
go to Supreme Court before, let him.
Let him say. Let him.
What my learned senior speaks, the acts committed by the officer is not coming under 187. This is completely misuse of power and excess of power. And the learned presiding officer, while holding court, the complainant was a senior advocate of Malkani Bar. He asked the advocate Nikhilja Hotija, asked the Peskar to drive him out from the court, and asked the complainant's client to change your advocate. If you will change your advocate, I will give order in your favor. And that is also in the initial statement, that is in the complaint statement. That does not come under 197 section. That is excess of duty and misuse of power. The relying upon 2009 Supreme Court, this Honorable Court, into what happened in this case, the learned JMFC, the IIC assaulted a person. The learned JMFC Narsimpur could not take cognizance since it is due discharge of public duty. This Honorable Court holds that by assaulting a person, it does not coming under purview of 197 section. So while the presiding officer, he is an IS officer and he is a responsible officer, the advocate is also an officer of the court. He should not have misused and does not come under section 197. That is excess of power and misuse of power. And that does not come. And since 2003, case is lingering for my.
Why all these things? Why don't you sit together and just?
My lord, my senior client is doesn't bother. My client has come thrice to this Honorable Court.
Let's do one thing.
But clients, my seniors class could not bother for this.
I'm also, it's very unfortunate, my lord.
Mr. Mishra will and you both mediate and let them.
My lord, what? Yes, my lord, that should, and that was the view of the Honorable Court while hearing the matter.
My lord,
actually, what happened? Please have patience.
My lord, my client had come from his own pocket from Malkani to Kotak, appeared thrice this court. But the accused could not bother for compromise. That's why could not be compromised.
What may not have.
I guess yeah, IS is giving pressure.
Executive.
Now.
Enter executive is afraid of the lawyers now. There. Yes, it is because of this case. Because of this case, entire executive. But what I am listening to the third place, what I suggest, they want that I should go to the bar association and beg apology. My lord, lordship kindly see, bar association, it is just not possible because bar association, lordship knows it will be even judges are also being heckled in bar association. What to speak? So third place, he is ready, my lord. Even today morning also I have talked to him.
Let's do one thing.
My lord, I have argued. I may pardon 1 minute.
Let both the party here.
My lord.
Me, I will solve the problem.
Yes, my lord. That will be fine.
କେତେ ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନାଣ୍ଟ ଜଣେ
କେତେ ଜଣେ ତ
ଜଣେ
ସେ ଜଣେ ଆସିବ ବାସ୍ ଆଉ କିଏ ଆସିବ
ଜଣେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନାଣ୍ଟ ଜଣେ
କେତେ ଥର ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ
ହେଇଯିବ ରାଇଟ୍
ଜାନୁଆରୀ 1st ୱିକରେ
ନାଇଁ କେତେ ଥର ଆସିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା 3 ଥର
you are not interested to come
ଯିବା ପଇସା ସେଠି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ୟାଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ସାରଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଦେବେ ଆସିବ
3 ଥର ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ଆସିବି
ଦେଖିଲେ ଏଇ ତ ଜଣା ପଡେ now cat is out of the bag
ମୁଁ କଫି ପିଇବି
now cat is out of the bag
କଫି ପିଲେବି
now cat is out of the bag
ହେଲା ଆପ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ ଯିବା ଆସିବା ସେ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଦେବେ ହେଲା 1000 ଟଙ୍କା ଯିବା ଆସିବା କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ କାରରେ ଆସିବେ ନା
ମାଲକାନଗିରି ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି ଟ୍ରେନ ରେ ଆଉ କାରରେ ସେ ତାକୁ
ମୁଁ ତ ଆଜ୍ଞା କାରରେ ଯାଉଛି
ମୁଁ ଗଲେ
ମୁଁ ତ ଏଇ କେସ ଯାଇଥିଲି
ବଡ ଓକିଲ ବହୁତ ପଇସା ବାଲା ଲୋକ
ଟ୍ରେନ ଇଜ ସେଫର will be reach in time ରାଇଟ ଟାଇମ ରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବେ ଗାଡି ଏତେ ଦୂର ଲମ୍ବା ଚড়ା ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ କଣ ହେଇଯିବ ଆରାମ ସେ ଟ୍ରେନ ଆସୁ ट्रेन फेयर दे देवे से पूरा फर्स्ट क्लास एसी फेयर देवे
फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी एनी डेट योर
रुपीस दे देवे और क्लाइंट को कहे 5000 रुपीस दे देवे
ठीक है
5000 रुपीस टू देखो both the parties are directed to appear in chamber before this court on this is 10th January 10th January 10th January at 1:30 p.m. And the petitioner shall pay rupees 5,000 for the to and fro journey. No, 10,000 there. 5,000 कौन? 10,000. Now,
ये तो बड़ो लोग आगे 10,000 ये बहुत बड़ो किलो से बड़ो किलो
Speedily some 5,000 doesn't look like money. ठीक है गांधी मुंडा दीटा नहला मजा नहीं 1,000 rupees for its to and fro journey and for appearing before you.
My lord, may pay without prejudice to its contents. So that,
Ah, without provision and 10,000 for to and fro journey लिख के आओ
platform journey.
5,000 ହେଲା petrol ଭରି ପାରିବେ ଏଥର ଯୋଉଠି ଚାହିଁବେ କରିପାରିବେ ହେଲା
10,000 ନା
10,000 ନେ 5,000 petrol ପରେ ଦେଲେ ଆସିପାରିବେନି କେତେ petrol ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେବ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ହେଲା I don't think I don't know ହେଲା 10,000 release the matter on 10th January 2024
My case is posted tomorrow, my lord. Let's kindly ask.
काली
की अच्छी for framing of charge.
case posted which case the number कितने
Number तक तो बंद कर दो.
1cc case number 20 of 2000
1cc case number 20 of 2003 posted before SDJ Malkangiri is stayed till the next date. Huh?
Much obliged, my lord.
Next.
Item number 8.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, it is a non-compliance of the order dated 3/11/23, Your Lordship, passed by this honorable court in CMC number in criminal revision number 581 of 23, Your Lordship, wherein Your Lordship had set aside the order dated.
Contempt.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the contempt about?
Your Lordship, in criminal revision number 581
What is the
of
contempt committed?
non-compliance of the order dated.
Which order? What order? What was not the non-compliance?
Search
part?
warrant order, Your Lordship. Your Lordship had quashed, set aside the orders of search warrant, Your Lordship.
Search warrant.
Yes, sir. Of the minor child of the petitioner.
Search warrant. कौन case टा कौन को?
Case, Your Lordship, a criminal revision was filed by the
I
petitioner.
forget the criminal revision. I wanted the facts of the matter.
Yes, Your Lordship, that is what I'm
That is
coming.
not the fact. From what happened initially from the beginning?
Initially, Your Lordship, a CMC number 559.
Number.
ये-
आप लोग shortcut बोलना नहीं आता है क्या? What is
Yes,
the
Your
issue?
Lordship.
दो ही line
The
देखो।
petitioner's wife had filed under-
छेड़ा कोई ना
had filed a petition under section 97 of CRPC,
कौन सा section 97 में जानना?
search warrant of the minor child.
पढ़ा दो 97. Read.
ବହିରେ-
No book. बिना book रे दुईटा ବେଳେ लगो ବହି ଆଣିକି ପଢିବେ ସବୁ।
No, Your Lordship,
ବହି ନ
hear me
ପଢିଲେ
out.
ଛାଡି ନା you go and read it thoroughly. ନାଇଁ କାଇଁ ଦଉଛ ବହି ସେ ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ଆସିବ prepare ହେଇକି ଏବେ ପଢିଦେଲେ ଫେର ଆଉ ପଢିବେନି ସେ।
Lordship already has been, Your Lordship, might
Read
drop
it,
this
read
contempt.
that, read that. ହେଲା already ଲା ପଢିବେନି ନା କଣ? Read that.
Search for persons
ଯିଏ
wrongfully
ବହି ନ
confined.
ଆଣିବ
Your
ନା
Lordship.
ତାକୁ 100 ଟଙ୍କା ଫାଇନ କରିବ। ବହି ନ ଆଣିକି ଯେ କାଉନସିଲ ଆଇଲା ମୋ କୋର୍ଟକୁ 100 ଟଙ୍କା ଫାଇନ ବାର ଆନସେସନ ଦେବ ହେଲା। Be careful. Next, especially junior counsels. Senior ହେଲେ 500 ଟଙ୍କା। ମାନେ ସିନିୟର ମାନେ ଏମିତି ଗାଉନ ପକା ସିନିୟର ନୁହେଁ ଏମିତି ନର୍ମାଲ ସିନିୟର ଏଜ ରେ ସିନିୟର। Yes. Tell me.
So search, section 97, Your Lordship, search for persons wrongfully confined. If any district magistrate / subdivisional magistrate or magistrate of the first class has reason to believe that any person is confined under such circumstances that the confinement
How-
amounts.
just good. What do you mean by the reason to believe? What do you mean by reason to believe? ठीक है तो भीतर को पसवा ना। What do you mean reason to believe?
As filed by the petitioner, Your Lordship, and as stated by
I'm
the
asking, what do you mean by reason to believe? Reason to believe माने कौन? माने कौन? What do you mean by reason to believe? Please tell something. Reason to believe. बुझा पड़ुଛି sentence
Yes.
कौन सेटा ओडिया रे करी चलियो
ODL
बोले चलियो को जो भाषा रे कहू तेलुगु तमिल ओडिया जो कहलो बुझिबी को
So the statement itself states reason to believe.
what is the reason to believe? Reason to believe माने कौन?
विश्वास करिवा कि
हाँ?
any chance that may be believed.
May be believed. He has reasons to believe.
Yes,
right?
sir.
So you believe something and there may be
As
some
stated in
reason
the
to believe.
petition.
Right?
Yes, sir.
He is a choro. So कहले जन लोग चोर कहले तुम चोर reason to believe खाली चोर कहि देले तो believe करियो. You must be some reason to say. तारो कहले तू केंदी सिंधी कहूची पचर ना କାହିଁକି ଯେମିତି କହୁଛୁ ଚୋର ସେ ଚୋର ବୋଲି କଣ ପାଇଁ କହୁଛୁ କହୁଛୁ ପଚାରୁଛ ନା ନାଇଁ? Then he explains, no, he had stolen last night somewhere or previously stolen something. So what is that? That means you are asking for the reason to believe. So that particular person, the officer, has the reason to believe. But on what basis the reason to believe? खाली reason to believe बोले भाभी देले मोता के चोर बोले भाभी देले ही जो बिना कारण रे.
The petitioner
What is the reason to believe here?
Your Lordship, the petitioner is the father and the mother has filed the petition under section 97 for search of the minor child, Your Lordship.
Okay.
But the court below has passed an order.
Father पाखरे
Minor child is there.
minor child अछि.
Yes, Your Lordship. And the wife has filed, Your Lordship, and the court below has
केते
passed
age
an order.
child केते age?
As of that, Your Lordship, I have no idea.
No idea. ଯେତେବେଳେ କେସ୍ ପଡୁଥିବ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଖବର ରଖିବ ଏମିତି କହିଦେଲେ ହବନି. You must know minor can be 1 year also, minor can be 10 year, minor can be 15 year also minor. So father is you are the father. Right?
Yes, Lordship.
So why are you here then?
Your Lordship, as the court below had passed an order
ଏଇ court କଣ order ଦେଇଥିଲା?
setting aside the order of search warrant as the minor was with the father, Your Lordship, and notice was not served to the father, and without giving proper notice, the order has been
Okay,
passed.
issue notice.
No, Your Lordship. I'm coming to that, Your Lordship.
अरे issue notice, contempt issue notice.
Your Lordship, 4 days back, the child has been returned to the father, Your Lordship. That is what. The content may be dropped, yes, Lordship.
ଏଇଟା ତ ମୂଳରୁ କହିଲେ ଜାଣତା ଏତେ ଲାଇନ ଏତେ କଥା.
I was coming.
Coming arguing କଣ ପାଇଁ କରୁଥିଲ ତାହେଲେ?
I was coming to that, and Lordship asked the fact.
From the beginning you should start. You know, उपन्यास कथाकार बनिବା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ବଡ ଶୌକି ଆଜିକାଲି. ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଉପନ୍ୟାସ କଥାକାର. ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଦେଖିବନି ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ପେପରରେ ଉପନ୍ୟାସ ଏମିତି ଛିଡା ହେଇଥିବ. କେତେ ଉପନ୍ୟାସ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ କାହାର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପବ୍ଲିକେସନ ବାହାରେନି, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଏଡିସନ ବାହାରେନି. କେମିତିଆ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କଥାକାର କେତେ କଥାକାର ଯେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନରେ ସରିଯିବ ତା କଥା ଲମ୍ବେଇଥିବେ. ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂରୁ କହିଦେବେ ଓକେ नो कंटेंट मेड आउट इट इज ऑर्डर इज कंप्लाइड ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ମୁଳରୁ କହିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ.
Lordship, I was telling the non-compliance and then I was about to tell. No, Your Lordship. No, Your Lordship.
No, don't be nervous. You will say something. Anyway, reason to believe पर 5टा judgment आज पढ़ी बजेगी. Reason to believe in general, reason to believe in taxation case, income tax ଅଛି famous judgment, reason to believe. The reason to believe एमती हबनी. Documentary किसी रहिबो, documentary evidence रहिबो, then reason to believe. ହେଲା note down 5 judgments and reason to believe. अब आशिक मते कहबा नेक्स्ट आ 5टा जजमेंट धरि आसु देखे मते हला केबे
Any day.
जनवरी मासरे हला
Yes, Lordship.
फास्ट मेंशन करी कहबो मते रीजन टू बिलीव 5टा जजमेंट दोछि विथ नोट प्रिपेयर a note on reason to believe हला okay next
Item 9.
9 drop
Just on behalf of Mr. D. Das, he is not well, so kindly adjourn this matter.
what is the issue?
I don't have the brief. I said they just informed me to submit this. Submit follow.
এটা তো কমন বিমারি এটি অন বিহাফ অফ দিস অন বিহাফ অফ দ্যাট করি পড়ে আসো কিছু ফাইল ন ধরি কবে আসছো ফাইল ন ধরি কাই আসো যে এমনি পঠাইলা ফাইল ন দেলা ଯିବିନି କହିବେ ସିଧା ফাইল ଦିଅ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ ପଢିକି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିବେ ଏବେ ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି नो ନା ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ଡୁଇଂ ଫାଇଲ ଦିଅ 2ଟା ବେଳେ ମେଟର ଲାଗୁଛି ପଢିକି ଆସିବୁ ଆଜି ଖତମ କରିବି this trend should be stopped somewhere.
Lordship, I don't have power also.
You have power. I am giving you the power. Don't worry. Why are you worried about power? Give you the file. पढ़ी से फाइल हला 2टा ବେଳେ जा पढ़.
Item number 10.
10
Election to the office of recognized trade union of HAL was held, my lord, on 29th August 2023. Wherein there is no provision of nota. The petitioner is a voter. He could not cast his vote. Thus, he can see.
What is the issue, sir? कहନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ତାପରେ ନୋଟା ଫଟା କେ ଯିବେ.
Yes. Well,
କଣ ହେଇଛି ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା? ଆପଣ ନୋଟା
it is the common provision now, my lord, the mandatory for in each and every election.
So ଆପଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ନୋଟା ହଉ ବୋଲି କି?
ନୋଟା ହଉ.
କୋଉଥିରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେ ବାଇଲରେ ଅଛି ନୋଟା ବୋଲି ରହିବ ବୋଲି?
ନା ବାଇଲର ନାହିଁ.
ନୋଟା ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷରେ ନୋଟା ଲଗେଇଲେ କଣ ହବ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତ? କେହି ଇଲେକ୍ଟେଡ ହେଇପାରିନି. Big problem. साधा नोटा ये जो जनरल इलेक्शन नोटा अलगा ये इलेक्शन अलगा एटा
trade union.
इलेक्शन
Trade union.
इन्होंने नोटा वोटा कहीं रखी है जागू वोट देवे न देवे न दे नोटा तो आमे तो मूर्ख माने लोक नय ना सब ये सब जना सुना पाठ पढ़ा लोक माने का नोटा वोटा कोन दरकार
they are the workers. They are
सर कोउडी लिखा है जे कंपलसरी नोटा रहयो मते देखांतु तापर मु
the तांको ये रे नहीं तांको
या फिर
नहीं।
केंदी हेबो कोउड रहबो हमर कोन इलेक्शन कमिशन रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल एक्ट नोटा पई अच्छी ऑफ प्रोविजन
Yes.
तेणु करा हला एटी कोटी प्रोविजन ना देखांतु आ नो प्रोविजन देखि कि खाली कहबे रही जो
Let it is.
सर मते देखांतु प्रोविजन देखांतु संगे संग
Admittedly, admittedly there is no provision.
then admittedly I can't admit it
Because Lordship can see.
admittedly I can't admit it if you want to show I am giving you 1 week time to find out छुट्टी पर लगो जे नोटा पर रिसर्च करके आसंतु नोटा कोटू आसिला केमती हला को देश आगो कले आम रिप्रेजेंटेशन पीपल एक्ट केमती आइला गोटे
Yes.
नोट पूरा लंबा चौड़ा इतिहास लिखि देबे हला 5 पेज 5-7 पेज 10 पेज जा लिखु तापर देखिए रिसर्च करबा या ऊपर हला विल सी समथिंग
Yes, yes,
you can but do a good research
Yes.
को देश रे फास्ट नोटा आरंभ कले नोटा कौन पई आसिला इंडिया रे कौन पई नोटा आइला रिप्रेजेंटेशन पीपल एक्ट नोटा केंदी पसिला बाकी कोउथरे को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नोटा पसिछि आपन से काई पसिबनी सब ऊपर लिखि देबे मन रखले कोन कहली मु
Yes.
लेखंदु नोट कर नंदी
Yes.
एवरीथिंग आ एथरो सब आंसर आसी दरकार आपन नोट रे हला लिस्ट मैटर ऑन
बरोबर इलेक्शन मध्ये सरिलानी 29
हाउ कोन हला सले हम एकेडमिक रिसर्च करिवु कोन सुधा हला हम इच्छा हां नेक्स्ट 10th January 10th January इलेक्शन सैलानी आ कोन आपन एदा तो एकेडमिक
मतलब because earlier also I have challenged the same. Lordship can see this
सर
con-
सुनंतु
Yes.
एबे तो किछि करिने आपन जस्ट खाली देखिबा विल फ्यूचर पे काम रे
Yes.
आसीबो
notice may kindly issue in the meantime.
हां नोटिस
Yes.
इशू नोटिस ठीक अछि 10 तारीख नेक्स्ट
Item number 10.
I am my appearance noted below I am.
हां यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया
Item 11.
May I please, my lord? Without cancelling the first advertisement, second advertisement was issued
एटा कोदी पई
for appointment of Anganwadi worker.
अंगनवाड़ी
My lord.
without
Cancelling the first advertisement, which was issued on 13/4/2002 by the Annexure 2, Annexure 3 was issued on 31/7/2023. Without cancelling the first advertisement.
okay without cancelling the first advertisement
Vice Chair.
कॉपी दे चिंता को
नहीं
कॉपी दे रे गुटे
नहीं अपील से appointed
सर अपील फाइल करबी
हाँ।
बोले
नहीं अपील कर
डायरेक्ट केंदी पळाइले आपण एडीएम पाके फाइल करबी ना फाइल सेठी करी साल तो सेठी
अपन अपील
अपील करबी and consider the petitioner seeks to withdraw the petition in order to file the appeal before the ADM
Koraput.
Food district
Koraput. My lord.
Koraput. And the said appeal shall be disposed of within a period of 3 months. Dispose of. Next.
Item number 12.
12.
My lord, repossession of the vehicle by the opposite party number 2, my lord. The petitioner is the owner of the one JCB machine, my lord, case JCB machine. My lord, it was, my lord, purchased in the year 2021, and my lord, installment was fixed, my lord, and the entire loan amount is to be paid, my lord, by 2020.
Taking RBI as a party.
My lord, that is a question, my lord, I was expecting for your lordship, my lord.
RBI not a party.
Yes, my
RBI
lord.
can't be a party.
My lord, a question, my lord, I was expecting for your lordship, my lord. Why we have made the RBI as a party since because my lord, Article 12 my lord, is to be satisfied to your lordship, my lord, because against the private banker, my lord, the REIT
But
is not
RBI 12
maintained.
but how
Since
even
RBI
if
is
you
a
want to
regulatory body.
even if you want to suppose justify the Article 12, why RBI?
My lord, Article
Because
12,
because RBI is a regulator.
yes, my lord,
If
it's a
unless
RBI is
that
a regulatory body.
No, I'm not saying.
Like, if your but lord, I am ordering, my lord, if that is a question, my lord, last time also your lordship asked to my lord.
Since we are always admitting against the private bank also,
Yes, my lord.
All the
My lord, only to satisfy.
read is being maintainable, then why?
Yes, my lord. Only to satisfy, my lord, that Article 12, we are making the RBI is a party. Otherwise, my lord, we don't have any grievance against RBI, my lord.
Exactly. Okay, check it. Issue notice to number 2 and 3.
My lord, OP number 2 is sufficient, my lord. 3 is the head office, my lord.
Okay, Buni sir, head
Yes,
office,
my
Buni
lord.
sir.
Only, sir.
Oh, got it. What happened? What is the issue?
My lord, issue is that, my lord, petitioner is the owner of the one case JCB machine, my lord.
You are paying
Regularly, my lord,
regularly, then what?
yes, my lord. My lord, the last 2 installments, my lord, it was repossessed, my lord, by the inventory list.
It is not declared NPA.
My lord, no, my lord.
NPA is not declared.
No, my lord, private finance.
Without declaring NPA सीधा
दीटा installment न देले private finance से नहीं जिबे again.
अच्छा.
The 2 installment.
agreement ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
No, my lord, there is
Dita installment न ଦେଲେ
agreement to again sen private finance से तो जहाँ कहले माने नेले.
Anyway, ଏଇଟା ଅଛି ନେଇ ସାଇଲେଣି?
नहीं कि stock रे रख stock यार्ड रे रखछिंदा.
Okay. So ଆସୁ ଦେଖିଆ. Let them come.
My lord, only my lord, one interim order is required, my lord, no third party interest should be made.
Okay. In the meantime, no third party interest will be created by the
Opposite party number 2, my lord.
opposite party number 2. Hala. Okay, list the matter on 2nd January.
No.
No, 3rd January. 3rd January लिख दिया. Next.
I am filing the requisite.
Balance sheet proposed to ready. Issue notice लिख दो ना balance sheet. Issue notice जो लिख दो issue तो ready. तब तो लिख दो अरे कोई और पूछ बार बार. लिख दो तसाना तो फाइल हो जाए लिख दो 3 working days. बस. Next.
मेरे दीटा मैटर अछि.
दीटा सेम कर. Next.
Item 13.
May please, your lordship. Your lordship, the petitioner.
Yes.
May please, your lordship. Your lordship, the petitioner is challenging the disengagement order under Annexure 7, page 25.
What is the disengagement? What is the purpose?
Because of
What for? You are not saying disengagement order ମାନେ କୋଉଠି collector ରୁ disengage ହେଲେ କି ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରପତି ରୁ disengage କୋଉଠି କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ
misappropriation of the money,
କହିବେ
lordship,
କଣ
government money.
କିଏ ସେଟା ଲୋକଟା
The present petitioner is a GRS.
कितना साल लोगे ये सब बोलने के लिए यार एक लाइन में बोला जा सकता है
Present
the present petitioner is a कौन GRS he was disengaged on so and so date without एतिକି ତ କହିବେ ଆଗ disengage କହିବେ फिर ଆଜ୍ଞା କିଏ ସେ ଲୋକଟା ତାପରେ GRS କିଏ ସେ ଲୋକଟା ତାପରେ ଅମକ ତାପରେ କୋଉଠି ଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ରେ କହିପାରିବେନି tell it again ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିବେ ଆପଣ ଛାଡି
Yes, yes, sir.
କଣ
The present petitioner is a GRS, ex-GRS in service, your lordship. There after he is
complete ହେଲା
disengaged.
ଆଉଥରେ complete ହେଲା no ଆଉଥରେ
The present
petitioner is a GRS in each place ସବୁ କହିବେ district ସବୁ କହିବେ
the present petitioner is a GRS under the block
ଦେଖିବାକୁ
of
ପଡୁଛି
Bhapur in the district of Nayagad, your lordship.
ସେ କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ
Yes, sir.
present petitioner
Thereafter,
was
due
posted
to-
as GRS at Bhapur in the district of Nayagarh and was disengaged because of blah 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 ଏଇ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ତ କହିବେ ଏତିକି କହିବେ 30 ଥର ଏଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ରହିବା କଥା ଆପଣଙ୍କର that is called preambulary line
Yes, sir.
ଯଦି constitution preamble ଯେମିତି ଅଛି your petition has also preamble line ରେ ସେଟା ରହିବା କଥା ଏଇଟାକୁ କେତେ ଦିନ ଲାଗିବ ଶିଖିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେଥର କହିଲେ ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
May I please, your lordship? So, your lordship, this is a third round litigation. Your lordship.
ଥାର୍ଡ ଏଇଟା କୋ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
Yes, your lordship.
ଥାର୍ଡ
So, only I am highlighting.
ଗୁଗଲ ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଥାର୍ଡ ଲାଇନ 4 ଲାଇନ ଚଲେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉଟା ଏବେ ଆଇଲେ ସେ ନାହିଁ ଏଠି ହେଇପାରିବନି ତଥାପି ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲେ ଏଇଟା କହିବେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଲାଇନ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ litigation ଥାର୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ litigation ଏଇ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କଣ ହେଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Only one thing I am
What is the issue?
pointed out, your lordship.
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଢାଗଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Because of the misappropriation of the government money, your lordship.
କେତେ
Though the 1,30,000.
କେମିତି
Because of the GRS, ex-GRS, the present petitioner, he has only taken the photographs and he has,
geotagging
yes,
geotagging କହିବେ photograph କଣ ଫଟୋ ଉଠୁଥିଲେ geotagging
and thereafter also the in this case the BDO and the PO they are also involved in this case, and you also kindly turn to page your lordship.
Okay, you have any answer to this?
My lord, I'll answer it because I'll like to address my lord that challenging the self-same order. This is the petitioner actually has approached this honorable 4 times.
Same issue.
Same issue.
କଣ order କଣ ଦେଲା କୋର୍ଟ?
First case is still
Consider
pending.
the application.
କଣ representation?
Consider the
Bakwas.
application. Yes.
First, no, second case. But second case is still pending. The state has already filed counter and he
କେତେଟା ଆପଣ
suppressed.
ଆସିବେ?
He
You-
suppressed.
Same
for,
issue.
for a moment, you
ଆଜି
lost
କଣ ନୂଆ
it.
କହିଲେ?
No, BDO and the PO, they are
ମୋ
reinstated.
କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ।
Case to
ଆପଣ କେସ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି?
again.
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି?
Lekinaanchi.
No, no, no.
ଆପଣ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ କଥା
ଯୋଉଟା
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି?
pending ଅଛି
Pending
ତାକୁ-
କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ କଥା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି?
No, no, pending କିଛି ନାହିଁ, your lordship.
ବୋଲେ ମୁଁ
For
number ଟା
my
ଦେଇଛି,
instruction.
23177 of 2022.
Let the matter be listed along with 2-3.
କେତେ କହିଲେ?
Delete petition number 2-3
177 of 2022.
177 of
22.
2023.
22 ମିଳିଲା।
ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ 500 ଟଙ୍କା ଆସିକି କଷ୍ଟ ଧରିକି ଯାଇଥିବ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ତା ପରେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ
No,
then
no,
I
no.
when I pointed out with the honorable
I-
court
I-
he withdraw it then again ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ ଆଜି କରିଦେଲେ
କଣ ଆପଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କୁ କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବାପାଙ୍କ ନୌକର ଭାବିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଭାବୁଛି କି ତା ବାପାର ନୌକର
ନା ନାଇଁ, I have,
ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ସେମ୍ କରିବା 10 ଲେଖା କମେ
your lordship, ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି।
ହଁ
ମୋର
ଦଉଛି ରହ ମୁଁ କଷ୍ଟ ପକେଇବି ସେଟା ଦେଇଦେବ
ନାଇଁ, ଦି ଥର ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି। As per my instruction, your lordship.
let the matter come along with that
my lord
କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କହିବେ 1000 ଟଙ୍କା ଧରିକି ଯାଇଥିବ 560 ହବ 1000
କାଲିଠୁ
ବିଲକୁଲ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛି ଜାନୁଆରୀ 2nd ରେ ଆସୁ ପେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଅଦର ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ବି ଏଇ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ କଷ୍ଟ ନ କଲେ ସେମାନେ ସୁଧରିବେନି କେବେ ଆପଣ ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ କଲପ୍ରିଟ ଲୟର ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କିଛି କହୁନି ନହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ବେଶୀ ଗାଳି ଦେବା କଥା ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ନଉଥିଲେ କେସଟା ଆପଣ କହିପାରିଲେନି ତ ଗୋଟେ ସେମ୍ କଜ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ 2 ଥର ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେନି କହି ମନା କଲେନି ପଇସା ଦଉଛି ତ ନେଇଯିବି ନାହିଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ,
ନାଇଁ
because
ନାଇଁ
of
କଣ
because of
we are the
your
officer of the
lordship,
court don't behave like this
the BO and PO, they are reinstated.
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ରେ କାହିଁକି ସେମ୍ କଜ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ 3ଟା କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, that has been one matter has been withdrawn.
ପୁଣି ଆଉଥରେ କଣ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ
It is because of the fresh cause of action.
What is the
your lordship.
correct
Your lordship, kindly turn to page
No, I am
15.
not turning anywhere. Tell me what is the cause of action?
Because of your lordship, the BDO and PO, they are already reinstated. Though the present petitioner is not reinstated and they have proceeded the
he is order of disengagement challenge she challenge
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ଲୋକ ଟିକେ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିଦେବେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ସେଟା ଥାଉ।
ବିଲକୁଲ dismiss.
23177 of 2022
Your lordship,
You are contractual, they are permanent employee. That's why you can be. Your contract ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି at any point of time if any kind of misconduct is pointed out you will be out.
yes,
That
your
is there. ତାଙ୍କ ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି.
but the
That is
petition,
the difference.
your lordship,
ତ ଆପଣ ଭିଡିଓ ତହସିଲଦାର ହେଲେନି କାହିଁକି
kindly consider, your lordship, because your lordship kindly issue the notice. They have
ବିଲକୁଲ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଏଇ କ୍ଲିୟର କ୍ଲାରିଫିକେସନ ନ ଦେବା ନୋଟିସ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିବିନି ଆପଣ ସେ ଆର ଫାଇଲଟା
23177 of
Yes, sir.
2022
ଆସୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
2nd ଜାନୁଆରୀ
obliged.
unnecessary
Item 14.
କୋର୍ଟରୁ କଣ ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଏମିତି 30ଟା ଲେଖା କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରି ପଳେଇ
ଆଉ କିଏ ଯଦି some other lawyer
ଅଦର ଲୟର ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଆପଣ ଆପଣ
my
ଆପଣ
instruction-
ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ସବୁ
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ ଦିଟା ଯାକ ଦେଇଛି, your lordship.
ଆପଣ
I have
ଜାଣି
already
ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ସିନ୍ଦୁର ଟିକା ମଗେଇଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଆପଣ ସତ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସିନ୍ଦୁର ଟିକା ହେଲେ ବେଶୀ ମିଛ କହନ୍ତି ହଁ ମାନେ ନଟ୍ ଲେଡିଜ
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ ଦିଟା
ଲେଡିଜ
ଦେଇଛି।
ଦେ ଆର୍ ରେଗୁଲାରଲି ଦେ ଡୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ବଟ୍ ଆପଣ ଭଳିଆ ଯୋଉ ଟିକା ଫୁଲମାଳ ଏସବୁ ବେଶୀ ମିଛ କହନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ already noting ଦେଇଛି, your
ନେକ୍ସଟ
lordship.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 14.
14
Petitioner is Jogan Soyaka, appointed as Jogan Soyaka since 2018 and joined in Gram Panchayat Gangraj GP of Mayurbanj district. Earlier, he had approached this honorable court and for releasing her salary. And under Annexure 4, page 10, my lord have directed to release her salary since February 2022. And lastly, this, as per the direction of this honorable court, they released the salary till May 2023.
ଆଉ ବାକି ରହିଲା
But on that date, I asked for certain time for taking instruction, but they said that they may not kindly peruse the annexure for
ଆରେ
page
ସାର୍
10.
କଣ ହେଲା କହିଲେନି ଅଧା ବାଟରେ ରହିଗଲେ ଫାଳେ ଗଳି ଗାଳି ଦେଇ ଖାଇଦେଇ
They did not give the salary till date. They-
ଅର୍ଡର ଦିଆଗଲା
हाँ
order
sir.
କଣ ହେଲା
हाँ sir, ସେଇଟା ବା sir ଦେଖୁ sir.
ସେଇଟା ଦେଖି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
Sir,
ମୋ
they
କଥା
said that we are
ମେ ଯାଏ ଦେଲେ
हाँ
କୋଉ ଅର୍ଡରରେ କୋଉ ଯାଏ ଥିଲା
annexure 4
Annexure 4 କେତେ ଯାଏ ଥିଲା
page 10 page 10.
ଆଜ୍ଞା କେତେ ଯାଏ ଥିଲା ତ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏ ପେଜ 10 କଣ ଦେଖିଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ ମିଳିବ ମତେ
Sir, May ଯାଏ ସେମାନେ
ଆଉ ତ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
କୋଉ ଯାଏ କୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର
para
କଣ
4
ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା
during course of hearing, learned counsel for the state submits that petition has already been paid with the entire area salary till date. My lord, this is the order dated 29/11/2023. But since May they had given the salary, my lord. But in this case, what happened on that case, I have filed a miscase I for to not to disengage, but not to disengage. But my lord said that you will not disengage the petitioner and release the salary. But now they are not allowing the petitioner to perform his duty. On that date, I also given that the petitioner has not been allowed, the state government said that since there is no prayer, so in that writ petition, so for that reason, this petition has been filed.
Here you also directed the Sarpanch to appear in person.
Huh.
On that day, he was appeared in person and he, as per his submission, the writ petition was disposed of. Let notice go to Sarpanch.
Sir, मतलब allow करना थी sir first thing.
Sir, contempt colony कौन भाई?
Sir,
पैसा मिल
sir, आपको sir, I prayed for time to take instruction. My lord, they are giving, so my lord have disposed of.
Let the Sarpanch come. Issue notice to Sarpanch. Mr. Dilip Kumar Nayak, Sarpanch. Present Sarpanch say?
हाँ sir. Sir, present थे sir.
हाँ?
Sidhar sir present थे sir.
हाँ, Gangaraj Gram Panchayat to appear before this court virtual through virtual mode or through physical mode as per his convenience. Virtual mode or a code district Ganjam.
नहीं sir. Mayurbhanj.
Mayurbhanj.
Sir.
आप BC rate prepare करिए. BC rate prepare करो. List the matter on 2nd January. 2nd January. Next.
He may be allowed to sir.
अरे सर आसु से लोग ना कौन
Sorry.
जिनसे जानी ना अपन गम चोरी करछथि कि किरोसिन लेछथि कि कोन की देखि कोन हेल्प दे जानला परे ना अपन केते चोरी करछथि जानिया दरकार ना सरपंच आसी कहू देखिया
That's direct for personal appearance.
पर्सनल अपीयरेंस थ्रू वर्चुअल मोड और डायरेक्ट whatever you want or through or physically before this court on 2nd January. Next.
May I please, my lord?
Item
My lord.
15.
My lord, issue here is, my lord, petitioner has engaged a bolero vehicle before opposite party number 2, that is OPTCL Jaipur, my lord.
Petitioner has engagement?
Engaged a vehicle in a monthly hire basis.
You are the, who are you?
My lord, a contractor, my lord. He is
So you are a contractor, you engage a vehicle?
Yes, my lord. He is a bona fide.
On rent?
On rent.
On
my
rent.
lord.
Okay.
And but two rent has been pending before the opposite party, my lord, after several representation, my lord.
সেটা কে দিয়েছে পয়সা?
সে পয়সাটা সে OP2 দিয়ে, and OP2 also written a letter to their authority for pre-audit clearance. That has been also cleared, my lord. সেটা ବି ମୁଁ annex କରିଛି, but still pending.
ତାକୁ approach କରିଥିଲେ?
Yes, my lord. Page 6 ରେ, sorry, annexer 6 repeated, my lord, by email 19 page number 19 20 21 22, my lord. And my bill is page 14 and 15. Only grievance, my lord.
ମାନେ ବିଲ୍ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏଠି କାଇଁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି? ବିଲ୍ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ସିଭିଲ କୋର୍ଟ
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି, my lord.
ହଁ
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି.
तो हाईकोर्ट थोड़ी दिले वो बिल पेमेंट पे सिविल कोर्ट अछि ये हाईकोर्ट रिट पिटिशन थोड़ी बिल पे करियो बिल पेमेंट नहीं तो गवर्नमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने केते हजार सॉरी लक्ष कोटी कोटी टका पेंडिंग अछि गवर्नमेंट पाखरे थोड़ी हाईकोर्ट रिट रे सब सॉल्व करियो आपन अलग बात अछि
Representation may be disposed by
आपण एंदे रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिस्पोजल मत ऑर्डर पास करियो ओके let him pay that amount. केते टका बाकी अछि?
5 लाख some odd, my lord.
5 लाख some odd?
Yes, my lord.
You approach that person. The petitioner, without going to the merit of the case, let the petitioner approach the opposite party. Number two, to clear his dues at the earliest, preferably within a period of 1 month, following which contempt shall be issued against the person.
Public.
I say the contempt issue कर तापर भूली जी है ऑर्डर चीज दे देबा
They said a thousand.
नहीं contempt एतो एंटरटेन करिया କଥା ना एंटरटेन करछि अब तापर आपण अधिक पूरा स्टेप बाय स्टेप आगे चल छथि next.
Item 16.
My lord, the petitioner's mother, while working as a Anganwadi worker, she was died due to snake bite, my lord. Therefore, he made a repetition on the answer 4 to
who petitioner mother.
Petitioner mother. while she was working as an Anganwadi worker, she was
Snake
died
bite.
snake bite.
What is the doctor's report?
My lord, that is post-mortem report, my lord. That is annexure.
2.
My lord, my lord. 2 series death certificate and post-mortem page 9. Relevant portion is my lord.
Put লেখা আছে আপনার snake bite মরছি।
Again, see, page 13, my lord. Opinion, my lord.
Page 13.
My lord. And the above mentioned external injury, the pin head size, punctured wound are antemortem in nature and are consistent with that of poisonous snake bite marks.
Code color page
13, my lord.
13.
Post-mortem report opinion of sub-assistant surgeon as to cause of death.
ଆପଣ apply କଲେ? Rehabilitation assist କେମିତି ଦେବେ? ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣ rehabilitation ପାଇଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି? Snake biting ର compensation ପାଇଁ ଆସିବେ?
ନାଇଁ
କଣ ଦରକାର? Snake biting compensation ଦରକାର ନା rehabilitation
rehabilitation.
ସେଟା କେମିତି ହବ? Rehabilitation assist କେମିତି ହବ?
Repension ଦେଇଛି unnecessary force ସେଇଟା
ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ schematic ଜାଗାରେ rehabilitation assist କଣ ହବ? ଆପଣ snake biting ପାଇଁ ଲେଖିବି କି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଲେଖିବି? You give a representation.
unnecessary force.
ଏଥିପାଇଁ representation ହିଁ only ହୁଏ ଆଉ କୋଉ ବାଟ ନାହିଁ। Learn concept of the petition without going to the matter of the case. Learn concept of the petitioner. Learn concept of the petitioner submits that her mother died of snake biting while she was working as an Anganwadi worker. A helper.
Worker. Singida Anganwadi Center.
At Singida
Anganwadi Center.
Singida মানে এই যে আলুচপ সিঙ্গড়া সেগুলো সিঙ্গড়া অঙ্গনওয়াড়ি center. Since her mother was working for such a long time and died during the course of her employment as an Anganwadi worker, she seeks appointment in place of her deceased mother under the rehabilitation assistance scheme. On concept of the state submits that since it is schematic employment, the rehabilitation and assistance scheme cannot be applied in the present case. On concept of the petitioner submits that he has given an application, a representation to the sub-collector district Bhadrak, and the said representation is pending before the authority since 25/11/2023. The concept of the petitioner is directed to approach. Sorry, the petitioner is directed to approach the sub-collector for sub-collector na open number kete?
Open number 3.
3.
My lord.
Open number 3. Ventilating his grievance, and this said OP shall dispose of the reputation within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of this order. Okay, dispose of. Next.
My lord.
It's never 9. ଆପଣ ପୁଣି ଆବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସିବେନି ହେଲା ସେଇଠି ରହିଯିବେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ମନା କରିଦେବେ ଆଉ ସାର୍ କିଛି ହବନି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ପୁଣି ଆସିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବେନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଆପଣ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଧରା ପଡିଯିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ପକ୍କା ଫିର ଆଉଥରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଏଠି ଧରା ପଡିଯିବେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଗ ଚିହ୍ନିବି ନା ତେଣୁ ତ କହି ମନା କରିବେ ଯଦି ରେପୁଟେସନ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କରିଦେଲା against you don't come again ହେଲା ଫେନ୍ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ହବ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଘୁରୁଥିବେ ଖାଲି ଜିଲେବି Next.
Item number 7. Your lordship. Well, it's a funny compensation matter.
यार तू पूरा जागा पूरा नेट बिछेगिरी पडलेनी सेठी या हां
No, my lord, only
गोटे दिटा पास कर तो आपण पूरा पूरा एंटायर एरिया माडी बसती पूरा कैंपेनिंग चललानी मु सुनुची आपण कैंपेनिंग करथि जागिरी
no, my lord, only 3 to
सब लोक जाग भेटुछंती जागिरी
no, my lord, only 3 to 4 months of
रखिजी
3 to 4 months of practice. How will
ସେଥିରେ ତ ସେ ଏରିଆ ଜାଲ ପଡେ ମାଛ ଧରି ପକେଇଲେଣି ଆଉ ଏତେ ଗୁଡା ମାଛ
only 4?
4 ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାର ତ 10
No, no, no.
ହେଇଥିବ।
No. Only 7 case, my lord.
Take instruction. Take instruction. ଆମର ସିଧା ସିଧା ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଲେ ଏବେ ଏମିତି ମିସୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
No, I have only applied for 7 cases.
Let him take instruction. Now cancel the state to take
Much
instruction.
obliged.
ଆଉ ଦେବିନି ଆପଣ ଏବେ ପୁରା
Okay.
ନ କଲେ ଆପଣ ପୁରା ଏରିଆ ଜାଲ ପକେଇବେ।
No, my lord.
No. ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଇଟା ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆପଣ
My lord, in one case, government has also
ଟିକେ ଇଏ ଏନକରେଜ ହେଇଗଲା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ ପୁରା started doing the dubious practice.
My lord, in one cases, government has also prepared a writ appeal. It has also been dismissed.
ହଉ ସାରା ସବୁ କେସ୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସେଇ କେସ୍ ଡିସମିସ୍ ହେଲା ବେଳେ ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଡିସମିସ୍ ହେଲା ମାନେ ଅଛି
Same similar heading and similar footing.
Discuss କରିଥିଲେ ସେ ଗାଁରେ ବି ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ବି ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ କଲ୍ କରାହେଲା ପରେ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଏସବୁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ।
Let them give a counter, my lord.
Yeah, let him give the count. Of course, list the matter in February लगा
Much obliged.
February 7th लगा दी
Much obliged.
Item 18.
just joking, don't take it seriously. Okay, next.
May I please, Your Lordship? Ex gratia compensation matter, Your Lordship. Husband of the petitioner died drowning, Your Lordship. In a
Drowning? Where?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where?
While taking bath in a canal, Your Lordship.
Koodi?
Canal re.
Who district?
Koraput.
Koraput रे को canal? इंद्रावती?
Dalkhai.
Dalkhai? Dalkhai को river है?
That is
It is
Katpara block.
छोटा canal है तो भासी वाला के drowning ହେଲା वाला की अवस्था नहीं ସେ canal ଆପଣଙ୍କର drowning ବୋଲି କିଛି report ଅଛି?
Fine.
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
That is postmortem report ବି କହିଛି.
ଏଇଟା କେତେ ନମ୍ବର?
Page 26.
18.
Page 26.
Yes?
Page 26. And except for page 26. Cause of death.
कौन लगा जी?
Cause of death is due to drowning as a result of asphyxia.
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ମୁଁ? କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ? କୋଉ କଲମ?
Opinion of sub-assistant surgeon to the cause of death. Cause of death is due to drowning as a result of asphyxia. Here, madam, he should apply before the Tahsildar.
ଆପଣ ତହସିଲଦାର ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେ?
ତହସିଲଦାର କୁ ଦେଇଛି।
କୋଉଠି?
ନାଇଁ ସେ ସବୁ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ
କୋଉଠି? application ଦିଆଯାଏନି ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ application form ଅଛି ସେ form ଭରିକି ଦିଆଯାଏ।
ଅପଲୋଡ କରନ୍ତୁ within 7 days।
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଚିନ୍ତା application ଦେଇଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ଯୋଉଟା ଯୋଉ ୱେରେ କରିବା କଥା କରିବେ ନା ଆଉ whatever is to be done in a particular way that has to be done in the same way only, not any other way. ହଁ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଠି form ଧରିକି ଦେବା ଜାଗାରେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ application ଦେଲେ କେମିତି ଶୁଣା ହବ? ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ the concept of the petitioner seeks to withdraw the petition seeking liberty to approach before the Tahsildar Kotpad district Koraput within 7 days. Sorry. He should approach the said Tahsildar within 7 days from today.
2 weeks.
Okay, 2 weeks from today. And the said and the Tahsildar shall dispose of the reputation, not reputation, disposal. ଆପଣ apply କରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ସେ ଦେଖିବ ହେଲା expedite the and dispose of the application, this said application within 2 months.
Application take necessary action ସେଟା ସେମାନେ ଅପଲୋଡ କରି
and to take necessary action and to take necessary action at the earliest possible. Next.
Item 19.
19.
ତହସିଲଦାର ନନ୍ଦପୁର ବ୍ଲକ
ନନ୍ଦପୁର ନନ୍ଦପୁର ବ୍ଲକ କୋଟପାଡ଼
ତହସିଲଦାର ନନ୍ଦପୁର।
ଆରେ ଭାଇ କୋଟପାଡ଼ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନନ୍ଦପୁର କହୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ? ତହସିଲଦାର ଟା କୋଉଠି ବସେ?
ତହସିଲଦାର ନନ୍ଦପୁର।
ତହସିଲଦାର ନନ୍ଦପୁର ଓକେ ତହସିଲଦାର ନନ୍ଦପୁର ଭୁଲଭାଲ କହନ୍ତୁନି ପୁରା ଆପଣ ଆଉଥରେ କରେକ୍ସନ ଆସିବେନି ଆପଣ ଭୁଲ କହିବେ ଯଦି ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ତାପରେ 10 ଦିନ ପରେ ମୋର ମନେ ନଥିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟେନୋ ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିଲା କହିବେ ଆଉ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମିତି ହାଲୋ। Next.
Item 19.
May I please, Your Lordship? I will be permitted to argue on behalf of Soumya Ranjan Mahanti, Your Lord.
Okay.
Before coming to the issue, Your Lordship, I want to appraise Your Lordship about the fact. The petitioner was on family vacation on 26/1/2023, Your Lordship, to Turkey. There she has, there was a theft committed where she lost her credit cards along with some important documents. Though it was an evening time, the bank, the opposite party number 2, they did not responded in the toll-free number. The next day, it was very next day, it was informed, and the local police station was also informed. Then on Your Lordship, on 21/5/2023, an amount of 3,77,000 was deducted from the petitioner's savings account. And another occasion, that is on 5/6/2023, 10,000 was deducted. On inquiry, it was found that the card that was lost in 26/21/2023, that amount has been deducted towards that. So when the statement came, those shopping mall or cafe where the amount has been used, that was not used by the petitioner. It was after the theft committed. So for which I gave a representation to the bank. Now they are not responding to that. So I'm only claiming for 1,45,000, which has been misappropriated. Rest amount has been paid, done, and the transaction has been done by the petitioner, but only 1,45,000.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହଜିଯିବ ପଇସା ନେଇ bank responsible?
Of course, Your Lordship,
Suppose-
because the
suppose
credit
you-
card,
you-
the
you have
credit
lost
card.
some-
No, no,
Not blocked immediately?
I have blocked immediately, Your Lordship.
You are saying they are not responding.
The same day, it was an evening time. That's why the
So when
bank.
when did you block?
The next day, very next day.
Next day, by that time तो आराम से 2-4 transaction की अटकी थी
But-
जगी बसती आगे ब्लॉक हेला मु चोरी करी
No, no, no. That is.
संगे संग मारी
But for
तो
that,
पास
I'm. But for that, Your Lordship, I am not responsible. The
How? You are
banking
responsible
system.
for your loss. When
Your-
you are responsible for your loss, suppose immediately within
I'm coming to that issue. What is my issue? I'm
No,
coming
no,
to
no,
that.
issue କଥା ମୁଁ ଆଗ କହି ଦଉଛି ଟିକେ. You should know that. As soon as your card is lost, you should have blocked it. If in
I have
if
informed
absence of blocking the card and you did block, but after 14 hours.
Your Lordship,
13
there is a pin consisting in the credit card that has been hacked. How this locking system? It is a bank responsibility. How my pin one can use it with, and that too not within the country. It is outside the country.
Where?
Turkey, Your Lordship.
Turkey? Then तो कितने प्रकार से अछंती? Istanbul. Istanbul. Just last June I was there. मोर चोरी ही नहीं तो अलगा मु आउ देश रे फसतली.
But that is the system. The banking system is. I am saying the default. I mean, banking system is at default.
Istanbul is one country where Asia रे फाळे अछि, Europe रे फाळे. Asian part भारी बदना, European part ठीक ठाक. So, but which bank?
So this is
Bank of Baroda?
Bank of India.
Bank of India.
And when the toll.
This national roaming card.
Yes, Your Lordship. When the toll free is not responding, how can, then what is the recourse?
आपण का तो से सेठी थिबे ये roaming रे थिबे बेला लागो न थिबे.
Immediately it was contacted, Your Lordship, to the toll, even to the manager, even to the toll free number. They should say that you contact the toll free number. We contacted. So it's,
बैंक में कौन कर करी?
at least a notice. At least a notice may be issued, Your Lordship. That is sufficient.
No card चोरी हजिला माने एटा एगडा सब समुद्र रे पडिला बोली भाबंते किछि
But Your Lordship may see.
बैंक ऑफ इंडिया सर टिके आसंतु आकु.
So how the pin?
बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ना इंडियन बैंक.
This is Bank of India, Your Lordship.
बैंक ऑफ इंडिया न आप.
Bank of India.
हां आपण न दे. बैंक ऑफ इंडिया आपण. आपण केतरा बैंक धरछन कोन? आपण लिस्ट स्टार्ट के दे देबे. लिस्ट स्टार्ट के दे देबे. Anyway, you take notice. If you can do something, okay. This is genuine grievance. It can happen with anybody. It can happen with anybody.
More important is the locking system and the password system should be checked, because
Let me tell you one thing.
this bank
PIN
did
is
not.
in which definitely bank officer is involved.
That is what.
PIN nala code paibasi.
That is what he has.
Yeah. And
That is the whole issue, Your Lordship. How?
Yes, you take instruction, right? Next.
I'll solve the problem.
This is second, third,
Obligation.
January. Next.
Item 20. May I please, Lordship. Lordship, this is a second round litigation. Lordship, kindly.
First round, second round कोने ए round रे कथा को मते. ए first round representation round थे थिबो.
No, Your Lordship.
नहीं, कौन round थिला?
Your Lordship, kindly have a glance to the.
Glance कैसे की कौन round कोन?
Your Lordship, the period of 8 weeks has been fixed by this honorable court.
For what?
To dispose of the claim of the petitioner.
Oh, एरा representation वाला account आला.
No, Your Lordship.
to dispose of the claim ଏଟା ବି ସେଇ ପ୍ରକାର order ହେଲା।
No, 8 weeks, the time frame has been given.
ଏଇଥିରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Your lordship till date
ଏଠି କଣ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
for the claim of compensation as to death of the husband of the petitioner
How-
in hit and run case, your lordship.
hit and run.
Yes, your lordship. Your lordship, till date, it has been pending before the OP number 2, your lordship. And your lordship, kindly have a glance to the annexer 16, your lordship, page 35.
ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
First, to fix a time frame to dispose of my claim, your lordship. It has been pending before the Joint Commissioner Transport, your lordship. Till date, they have not been taken any step.
କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା accident?
Your lordship,
incident କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
incident, your lordship, on
कुछ पता नहीं
13/5/2022.
कम से कम फ्रंट
Yes, your lordship, I have.
आपन खाता ए ऊपर देखले ब्रीफ फ्रंट पेज देखले मते देखले
No, your lordship. This is.
लेखा काई हबो ए जत्ता पळै जीवन लिखि देले पेंसिल नाही बोले नियंतु
I have flag.
हां पुअर इन क्रिकेट आल्सो
No, your lordship.
pencil
I was not ready that your lordship will throw the pencil at me, your lordship.
No, why should I wanted to give you. No, I am giving you for writing. For writing. I'm not throwing at you. I wanted you to catch, but you didn't catch. So, ଦୟାକରି pencil ରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ incident କେବେ ହେଲା କୋଉଠି ହେଲା କେତେବେଳେ ହେଲା ଏ pencil ଲେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଦେଲି ହେଲା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ pencil ମନେ ପକେଇଥିବି ସବୁବେଳେ ଲେଖିଲା ବେଳେ
I have flag mark this.
flag mark ଉପରେ ଲେଖିବେନି
Yes, your lordship. But,
front page ରେ ସବୁ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ଏଇ pencil ରେ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା page ଏତିକି incident ଏଇ incident page ଏତିକି ଏଇ page with page reference ଦେଇଦେବେ ହେଲା easy ପଢିଲେ ତ ଏଠି ଆସିକି ପଢିବେ ତ କେମିତି ହବ false confidence kills a man. This is a false confidence. ଫାଇଲ ପଢିଦେଲେ ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲି ଏଠି ଆମର ତ ହେଇଯିବ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ ଦର୍ପଣ ସାମ୍ନା ରହିକି 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିବେ ଦେଖିବେ କେମିତି ଭଲ ହବନି ବଢିଆ ହେବ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏମିତି ଚାଲିଥିବ ଏମିତି ଦିନ ଦେଖିବ ଏମିତି ରହିଥିବ କଣ ପଚାରିଲା 10 ଥର ଲେଖା ଏମିତି ଗୁଳି ହଉଥିବ ଫଟ ବାହାରିବା ଦରକାର yes when was the incident
13/5/2022.
22
Yes,
when did you apply
I have applied 5/11/2022 before the regional transport
with
officer.
form have you
Lordship.
applied with the form prescribed for that
Yes, your lordship.
what is that
Your lordship, kindly have a glance to the annexer 7, your lordship, page 20.
okay take notice make notice
Your lordship.
Copy to Prabhakar Behra passport.
alga action is
Your lordship,
give a copy
what I humbly submit, your lordship, matter is been pending before the joint commission. Your lordship, kindly fix a time frame.
କାହିଁକି ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ସେ ଟାଇମ ଫ୍ରେମ ନ ଫିଲ୍ ଲୋକ ଡାକିକି ଗଲେ ହବ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି
No,
ଏମିତି ହବ ପୁଣି ଏମିତି ପଠେଇଦେବି ଫିର ପଢିକି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ପୁଣି ଆସିବେ ତାପରେ କହିବେ 3 round litigation I don't want that to happen ଖତମ ମାନେ ଖତମ
highly obliged.
give a copy to Mr. Prabhakar Behra who usually appears for the transport department yes ତାଙ୍କୁ ଖୋଜିକି ଦେବେ ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
this is the matter on 3rd नहीं 9th January
obliged, lordship.
take that pencil and write it. Okay and write and you have to show me before you start I have written every time you start show me that I have read and written everything okay
Yes, lordship.
next any matter you argue show me first and in fact all junior counsel should show me you have prepared I should know that you have prepared it hala jantu
Obliged,
next
lordship.
Item
Next.
21.
take the pencil okay and write no need to return I have given you
I'm very thankful to your lordship.
but I'll be thankful if you write there okay yeah
Yes, your lordship.
yes okay next
May I,
21.
may I please your lordship? And that is the victim compensation, my lord.
victim compensation कौन पे
My lord, it is SC/ST Act and also be 376, my lord. My lord,
21.
your lordship, you may kindly see
कोथि पे ना
the victim compensation.
आज्ञा
my lord.
कोथि पे कौन हला victim देबे
माने सेटा 376 and SC/ST Act.
कौन है
Setri, my lord, this honorable court passed the order of page number 12. You may kindly see. This honorable court passed.
हाँ डिसेंडेबल कौन है जी कौन ना कौन
ସେଥିରେ
है
ଆଜ୍ଞା 13 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବାର ଥିଲା 3,50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଅଲରେଡି ଦେଇ ସାରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ରେଷ୍ଟ ପଇସା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲେ
ଫିଜ୍ ଭାଇ ଦିଆ ଯାଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ଦିଆ ହବନି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ହଁ ଫିଜ୍ ବାଇ ଫିଜ୍
ମ୍ୟାଟର ସଲା ବେଳକୁ ସବୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହବ ଆଉ ଏବେ ଆପଣ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଦିଆଗଲା ତାପରେ ଫେଜ୍ ଫେଜ୍ କରି ଦେବେ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ this honorable court you may kindly see.
डिसेंडेबल can pass anything I'm not bothered I am asking you ସେଗୁଡାକ ଟାଇମଲି in the phase wise ଦିଆଯାଏ phase manner ରେ
yes my lord
डिसेंडेबल कोड କଣ କହିଲା
this honorable court representation ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ representation ଦେଲି ଦେଲା ପରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ମାସରୁ till now
ମୁଁ ସେ representation ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସେମିତି ଆଶା ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦିଅ ଯା ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ହିଁ ଦରକାର
ଯାହା କିଛି କହିବେ
ଯାହା କିଛି କହିବେନି ଆଜ୍ଞା representation ମାନେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତାର ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି ସ୍କିମ୍ ର ଫେଜ୍ କରି ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଅଛି ସ୍କିମ୍ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପଇସା ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦରକାର ସବୁ
ନାଇଁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ନାହିଁ your lordship ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମୁଁ କହୁ ନାହିଁ my lord I am widow
वीडियो बोली कौन है वीडियो जो कौन है जो स्कीम रे जेंति देवा अछि सिन देबे ना वीडियो बोली कि आपण दे देबे सब
सर आपण से इंटेंशनली माने अगस्त 16/8/2023
why you are using such type of word intentionally what is the intention
no I am not saying
आपण केबे देले
आज्ञा म 16/8/2023 रे
आज्ञा 8/23 रे आपण 3 लाख टका दे देना आपण को आ 13 लाख सब एका संग दे देंदे ना
नहीं एका संग नहीं किंतु सर रेस्ट पैसा टा देबा पई मु
रेस्ट जेतडा देबा टाइम आसीबा सेतडा देबी आपण जे आपण चाहिले देबेनी तांकर जो फेज अछि वो टाइम रे केते दिया हवा देबे स्कीम रे जा अछि से सब देबे आपण हाई कोर्ट आइला हाई कोर्ट लखो
नहीं आज्ञा से फेज
सॉरी सर आई कांट एंटरटेन
no your lordship you kindly your lordship
I am not entertaining sir
नहीं अच्छा ठीक है
आपण सब एका संग दे दिए पैसा
नहीं एका संग नहीं जा माने your lordship 12 number page टा your lordship
12 number page कोन अछि
your lordship
already disposed of similar matter in the second round litigation my lord your lordship directed though the petitioner has already received 3,50,000 rupees rest of the for the rest of the amount he should make a representation to the authority 6/11 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି representation ମାସେ ବି ହେଇନି ପଳେଇ ଆସିବି
लगाओ dismiss no
no
sorry sir sorry I am not entertaining this
no your lordship you are
the petitioner
no your lordship your
sorry dismiss
no your lordship no
the petitioner
I may no your lordship dismiss
this is not done sir मासे तळा दिन टिके पेशेंस रखिबे नि संगे पळे आसीबे
your lordship I will wait
that dismiss
no I will wait
I'm waiting
no your lordship नहीं अच्छा ठीक है representative ठीक अछि मो टिके
पे आसिले दले
all right
all right माने
I will oblige your lordship order माने किछि दिन ना your lordship no
the order passed by this court on 31st and 2023
no your lordship withdraw I may
तो को सेटा कर एते समय काई वेट कल टाइम हां तो कोडा छै माय लॉर्डशिप एते सीनियर लोक माने हमर जूनियर लोक सिखिबा
नहीं सेटा
seeks to withdraw the petition he has wrongly filed the petition without realizing that the order was passed on 31st and 2010 and for full solar further the petitioner sorry the visiting compensation scheme is passed in accordance with the guideline prescribed in the scheme and the petitioner should wait for the next
item 22
in this case for a petitioner is a retired senior manager of Odisha Gramya Bank. He retired from 2017. Online is sudden under Annex 2. Recovery notice was issued under Annex 2, page 16.
Recovery for what?
But the LTC was availed in the year 2015.
LTC? So,
sanction I obtained the LTC. Now, after retirement of 7 years of my retirement, they have issued recovery.
Why? What is the reason for that?
I am entitled to get only 2-tier AC train ticket. I have availed flight ticket.
बाकी पैसा आपण एनी जे भरि दे यदि पैसा
अगर सेमाने सैंक्शन कले फ्लाइट टिकट रे सैंक्शन कले पु पैसा ने के एलटीसी गली आई रिटायर्ड 2017
नहीं सेमाने सैंक्शन आपण का एंटाइटलमेंट कोड दे पय अछि
फ्लाइट
रे अछि
हां
तो फिर कमाई गल
मैनेजमेंट चेंज they have taken another decision similar matter has already been admitted and stay has been granted
एटा सीधा उड़े देवा कथा स्टे ग्रांट कर रखी कोन फाइन सीधा खत्म कर देवा कथा
Without placing the case, my lord.
हो ये सेम फास्ट वीक फरवरी 2024 लगे दे सिमिलर कर दे एका सेम डेट दे दे हमरा डेट टा दे दे लिख दो लेट द मैटर कम along with
this, yes.
ए केस टे लगे दो तुम दे दे फरवरी फर्स्ट दे दे हमें फर्स्ट फरवरी कर दे हला along with this one सिमिलर कर दे let them come they should finish the unnecessary
That too, without any notice, recovery civil consequence without notice, recovery from my pension. The recovery from my pension.
Okay, next.
Item 23.
23.
23 bullets non-compliance of the lordship's order dated 11/9.
Comply any? Take instruction. Large council state to take instruction. Next. 24.
24 adjourned.
Adjourned. 25.
25.
25.
I will plead your lordship. This is a custodial death matter, my lord.
Custodial death?
My lord.
केमती?
The
आमा गचरे आमा गचरे पड़ी गला ना कौन
ना से पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट कहू जी
केमती कस्टडी डेथ ला कहले कोन तो टिके केमती हैला
केमती सर भीतर हेछि तो किछ जडा पडनु
केमती डेथ हिछि तो जानथि मैनर ऑफ डेथ केमती डेड बॉडी वाज फाउंड
पीएम रिपोर्ट कहू जी नो
को जेल रे
भंजनगर जेल भंजनगर
ऐसे मार्गी पड़े थे भंजनगर एनीथिंग कैन हैपन देयर इज सिस्टम इन बॉम्बे बड़ा बड़ा इंडस्ट्रियल हाउस में जाके मरेगा थे सन कह कहंती से जेलर और फैमिली को बहुत पैसा दे दे पूरे पैसा दे दे आ तांको लोक जाई से सेटिंग से जेल रा स्टाफ ना सु जानथन
on 19/11/23 after 2 days he was killed inside the jail custody
जेल कस्टडी माने तो जेल अथॉरिटी शैल बी रेस्पोंसिबल फॉर दैट vicarious liability is always there direct knowledge indirectly it is your duty to take care of the UTP आपन पैसा देबे पड़ियो
I will take instruction whether so far that Puri case is concerned you lordship directed I have already submitted a report I mean the judicial inquiry was there
एठी किछि हिछि otherwise will pass an order for judicial inquiry London state to take instruction regarding the death of the petitioner's father
petitioner's husband
petitioner husband sorry petitioner husband next matter on February level February is
Tapan Naik this is
February 6th la next
oblige
26.
26
Item 26, may I please your lordship? Yeah, may I please your lordship? Your lordships, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Shibashish Mishra. Your lordships, it is a matter where the petitioner was working as an Anganwadi worker in Hariharpur Mini Anganwadi Center from 311.
What is your name?
Your lordships, Shyam Sundar Tripathi.
Huh?
Shyam Sundar Tripathi.
Your name is there. Where is saying I'm
Your lordship has
your name is there already.
Your lordship has my.
You want to show that Shivashish Mishra name you take and I'll pass.
No, your lordship.
Why are you taking name?
Your lordships as my.
Will you want to show?
No, your lordships. I'm sorry, your lordships.
Every time you say that. That's why I told you. Last आउ को case रे भी सेंदी ना देले कोन होई ना देले भाबु जे ना देले ऑर्डर पास कर दिगल
No,
then why are you taking name?
Sir, your lordship
Your name is there.
Actually, your lordship, as the name in the noting, my senior's name is there. So it is.
Your name is there, na? Your name is
your
there.
lordship. My name is there.
Then why are you saying this?
Your lordship.
That's why I know your senior. That's why.
No. Your lordships in any. Your lordships in any court, I'm appearing on behalf of my.
You are not supposed to say that.
I'm sorry, your lordship.
Your name not there, then it could have been different.
I'm sorry, your lordship.
Then
next time.
Why is he trying to influence me? And then ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ଭାବୁଛ କଣ ବଢିଆ ବଢିଆ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଦେବି
No, your lordship. I'm sorry, your lordship.
ଯୋଉଟା ଦେବି ଯିଏ ଆସୁ ସେ ଆସୁ ଯିଏ ଭଗବାନ ହେଇଥାଉ don't do that.
I'm extremely sorry, your lordship. Your lordships, in this case, the petitioner was working as an Anganwadi worker since 2015. So on 2nd of February 2023, a complaint was given to this concerned CDPO, and basing on that complaint, FI was registered under section 409. So subsequently, lordship, we had taken an anticipatory bail in that case. But after the anticipatory bail your lordships, on 26/9/2023, sorry, 89/2023, the petitioner received a.
Just a minute. Come to your list of date.
Your Lordship, list of.
ଆପଣ 2025 ବି ଆସିଗଲାଣି ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଡରରେ?
Your Lordship, that I just found out.
2025
No, Your Lordship, that is
25 ତ ଆସିନି 24 ବି
2015.
ଆସିନି 25 କୋଡେ ପଳେଇଲା।
Lordship, 3/11/2000.
ବନେଇଲା ବେଳେ ଟିକେ ତ ଦିମାଗ ଲଗା କୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ ଫେଟ୍ ଉଲ୍ଟା ପୁଲ୍ଟା ଲେଖିକି ଦଉଛୁ।
I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
ଏଟା କୋଉ ଇୟର 2022 ହେଇଥିବ।
Your Lordship says 2015 she was working. It is the, Your Lordship, 2015, since 2015 she was working.
କଣ ହେଲା ତାପରେ?
Your Lordship, subsequently on 18/9, thereafter the petitioner received a show cause notice from the opposite party number 3.
ଭାଇ କଣ ପାଇଁ FIR lodge କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା?
Your Lordship, the FIR was lodged that she was allegedly involved in the misappropriation of the preschool uniform, SNP,
ବିକି ଦେଇଥିଲ।
SNP foodstuff and preschool uniform, misappropriation of funds.
Updated 29/11/2023, your lordship directed the petitioner to take instruction whether she has preferred an appeal or not, because this is the appealable order.
Your Lordship,
Disengagement order ଟାକୁ challenge କରି ସିଧା ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି appeal ରେ ଯିବା।
appeal କାଇଁ କଲେ?
Your Lordships, I am coming to
Just
that.
a minute, you will come later.
Your Lordship.
Did you approach the appellate authority?
No, Your Lordship.
Then
Your Lordships, Your Lordship.
why are you coming here directly? Tell me.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm satisfying Your Lordships on that particular point only. Your Lordship, basically, on basing on a domestic inquiry, I was disengaged. But Your Lordship, basically the domestic inquiry which has been conducted, that is conducted in absolute violation of the principle of natural justice.
I have told you. Principle of natural justice violation, High Court direct আসছে সেটা সেই কথা সেটা ବି କୁହାଯାଇ ପାରିବ ନା ନାଇଁ?
But Your Lordship,
the petitioner
Your Lordship,
seeking withdrawal of the writ petition in order to file an appeal before the
Your
ADM could it?
Your Lordship, it is Hariyarpur Sasana Opada. Nilagiri.
ADM Baleswar, and the said appeal be preferred within a period of 15 days from today. The ADM Baleswar shall take steps to dispose of the
Your Lordship,
the appeal within a period of 2 months from the date of filing the appeal. Dispose of bhai.
Your Lordships, actually, I was
Actually, you go there and say actually whatever you want to say. Actually, that he will take care of that. Actually,
sorry,
he will
Your
be
Lordship.
happy. Go. अरे appeal provision আছে তাকে use করো then you come here.
Sir, sir, that was, I'm sorry, Your Lordship. That was the expected question which I expected from Your Lordship, and I had brought some case laws to that effect, Your Lordship.
ମୁଁ case law ଶୁଣିବିନି ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା formal ଅଛି ସେ case law ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ।
In three
case law ରେ କଣ କହିଛି?
Your Lordship, in 3 contingencies, that bypassing whether there is a statute appeal provision, we can come before this Honorable High Court. If there is,
Who constituted
Your Lordship,
who order?
Your Lordship, that is decided in Whirlpool Corporation versus Register of Trademarks, 1998.
Give me. Trademark ର ଅଲଗା ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଅଛି ଏଠି ଆସି trademark registration ସେଟା ଅଲଗା ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ବିକଜ ଅଧା ଟାଇମ ରେ ଚାଲିନି ସେ trademark ଯୋଉ ବୋର୍ଡ ଅଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଲୋକ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ପଳେଇ ଆସନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଏଟା ସମାନ କଲେ ହବ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି trademark board ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ବସେନି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଲୋକ ପଳେଇ ଆସନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ସହିତ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି।
Your Lordship, the another case also,
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଧା ମେମ୍ବର ନଥାନ୍ତି ବସେନି ଲୋକ ମାସ ବର୍ଷ ପଡି ରହେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଲୋକ ଗଲେ ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନ କରିଦିଆ ହଉଥିଲା।
Your Lordship, there is another case also that in similar footing, that is Harbansal Lal Sania versus Indian Oil Corporation Limited, that is a 2003 case. Your Lordship, that the contingencies, Your Lordship, I have not got that case law, but the contingencies are the same.
बिना case law पढ़ी पढ़ाई।
Your Lordship, that is the contingencies under which we can approach to this Honorable High Court. That is whether there is a.
But here you have the provision to go to that.
Your Lordship can give me.
Don't lose a forum.
Your Lord.
Don't lose a forum. Maybe you will get justice there in that forum. No, paralytic as you can't.
Your Lordship,
direct
tomorrow.
Parachuting is always bad. Always use ladder. Okay? ladder ରେ ଚଢିବେ ବଢିଆ ଉପର ପାରାସୁଟ ରେ ଆଇବେ କେତେବେଳେ କୋଉଠି ପଡିବେ ଭଗବାନ ଜଣା ସ୍ଥଳ ଭାଗରେ ପଡିଲେ ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଜଳ ଭାଗରେ ପଡିଲେ ଖତମ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
Item 29.
Directed to obtain instruction.
Most of the occasion you are taking time. Please don't take time like this. ସବୁବେଳେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଅଫିସ ଗଲେ ସବୁ ଟାଇମ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଆସିବ ଜୁନିୟର ଟେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟାଇମ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଆମ ବାକି କୋର୍ଟରେ ତ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆପଣ ହସି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମ କୋର୍ଟରେ କଣ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଏଠି ସାରା ହସିକି କରାହଉଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଚାରିଆଡେ ହସିକି କରିବା
କାହିଁକି କେହି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଅଲଗା କୋର୍ଟରେ ହସୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି ହସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଅଲଗା କୋର୍ଟରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇନି
Okay, what is the issue?
earlier the application was filed this for selection of Anganwadi worker, my lord. My lord passed a judgment that the selection was the order of ATM was stand valid. And my lord directed the second person on the merit to be considered. This order was challenged by the petitioner in that petition in need of appeal. Need of appeal, my lord order was confirmed. Thereafter, without issuing engagement order to second person, the petitioner belongs to second merit list. They are going to issue another appointment order in favor of OP4. I filed the writ application. On last occasion, my lord directed to obtain instruction, and till that date, no steps to be taken. My lord directed.
So क्या हुआ?
I have got the instruction, my lord. The lordship as an entry measure directed the state not to fill up the post. My lord, that order was passed on 11/12/2023. As per your lordship's direction, second person is not my lord senior client, my lord. One Lakshmi Priya Sethi, he is the second.
ठीक है ताको दे दिया जे भाई और फिर कौन ला आपने सेकंड ना थिले आपने सेकंड केंदी पाइए सर
Well, sir, नुहे sir, सेटा मोर entire ground in writ application.
अरे भाई से सेकंड तांगर अच्छा लिस्ट में देखें लिस्ट देखा
Click दियो दू sir.
Okay, learn comes with the state to take the list of the selected candidates.
My lord, out.
Sorry, list merit list of the selection
out
pursuant to advertisement नवा कहते हैं
advertisement होची এটা होची dated advertisement number 360 dated 17/5/17
360
हां 360 17/5/17
17/5/17 ना okay this is matter day after tomorrow
हां
Friday ना
हां Friday ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଖାଲି ଏଟାରେ ବି dispose of ହେଇ ଯାଇ ପାରିବ ସେ जोटा
ନା ଆପଣ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ମତେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ମୋ କଥା ଟିକେ
କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପରା
ସାର୍ ମୋ କଥା ଟିକେ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଏକଟା ମଗେଇ ଦେଲେ along with annexure 8 କାରଣ annexure 8 I have given the information the entire application form of OP4 obtaining under RTI Act that he has not submitted any residence certificate, any caste certificate, any +2, but by giving 10 marks extra now they are going to issue appointment order. So I say
ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ
second रो ଅଛି 58 जे अपन सामल केस को से 60 रखि देला that has been squashed
बाकी देखो
हां सेटा
and also
original application
for the petitioner to submit the details of
application form of OP4
the application form of OP number 4
आया along with the documents
along with
appended
all the documents हां
आया
डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह तो टाइम
लेकिन ताको डॉक्यूमेंट थिबो
डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह तो टाइम लागियो छुट्टी
जल्दी
जनवरी 11 लगे हला
एंट्री मोड टू कंटिन्यू
नेक्स्ट आइटम
अच्छी है क्या बिकॉज़ काइन से एंट्री मोड अच्छी
कर दे
आगे अच्छे है एंट्री मोड अच्छी है आपण
आउ कोन एंट्री मोड
सर 10 तारीख दिन सर 10 तारीख दिन आपण एंट्री मोड देले नॉट टू टेक नॉट टू फिल अप द पोस्ट
11 तारीख
on the instruction of the office of the advocate general they have issued a backdate kindly see the instruction yes book कहि परिबे क्या kindly see the instruction
आपण केति जानले इंस्ट्रक्शन
आगे हमें भी कलेक्शन करिछु आगे मु दउ
सुनो जस्ट
let him supply the instruction
no रोंदु आपण कोडी जानले इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं रोंदु
सर एथि पे जानलु जेतो सर्टिफाइड कॉपी देकी 12 तारिख हम देलु कोनोसी अपॉइंटमेंट इशू नथिला किछि इशू नथिला जेतो एठु चिठी गला बैक डेट 7 तारिख दिन अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर इशू हो गला कोन इंस्ट्रक्शन देथुम देखम करिया इंस्ट्रक्शन
accepted after that लिखाई
let him submit the what is the instruction he has given
ऊपर देखो
he has given instruction
अरे ये काई ये जो
instruction देके अपॉइंटमेंट दे दे
पसंद
आगे बस
necessary पहला
instruction केमिति देबे
let me find out ना
he must come fair
यार कि आप लोग इतना से दुईटा से लेडी को छिड़ा कर सेवन यदि पार्टी करेंगे आप जित पार्टी करेंगे
सर मु से कदा कोन से इंस्ट्रक्शन केमिति देबे एंट्री मोड 10 तारिख देला पर
रोहन तो मत देखा लेट मी चेक हम नॉन स्टॉप कहि चल जंदी you just get it let's see okay yeah
एंट्री मोड टू कंटिन्यू
किछि लगिबिनी मु जानि इंटरव्यू मोड कोन पास कोन
सर इंटरव्यू अपन देइछन
नहीं नॉर्मल कोन इंटरव्यू मोड ऑलरेडी से जन के सर इंटरव्यू मोड कंटिन्यू कर हां ठीक है इंटरव्यू मोड कंटिन्यू कोन माने स्टेटस को एंटी बस स्टेटस को टू कंटिन्यू हला जे जन के जाउ थु
ही मस्ट कम
ओके नाउ लाइक द इंटरव्यू मोड इन द इंटरव्यू स्टेटस को
आया ना मुझे सेट नहीं
shall be maintained
when interview model was there
status quo as on today shall be maintained बस बढ़िया है
सर आपण जो अल्टीमेटली देखिबे जे सर डॉक्यूमेंट नथिबो माय विल पास फाइनल ऑर्डर
अरे आसु सर
my submission on 11th of December interim order was there on same day the instruction are issued you issue appointment order
let me check sir ଆପଣ ପାର୍ଟି କରିଦେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟି ପୁଣି ମୁଁ କାଗଜ ନ ଦେଇକି କହିଦେବି କି? ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଯଦି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ କୋର୍ଟକୁ କାହିଁ ଆସିବେ? ସବୁ ତ ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି। ସେଠୁ ଲେଟର କେବେ ଗଲା ଜାଣିଲେ, ସବୁ କଥା ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ। ଆପଣ ତ ପୁରା ଅନ୍ତର୍ଯାମୀ। ପୁରା
ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କୋର୍ଟଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନଟା। ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ, ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନଟା କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି। ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣ କଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଲେଖିବେ?
Why you are just addressing him, bhai? Addressing this side, this side.
Lordship, kindly have a glance to this order.
Not addressing that side.
ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ସେ କଥା କହୁନି, ମୋର ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ରହୁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ। But
Let the matter come, sir.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହେଲା ଏତେ କଥା କୁଆଡେ ହେଲା? ତୁ ଛାଡ, ଗାଁରେ ଦିଟା ଲେଡି ମାନେ ଝଗଡା ଲାଗିଲା ଭଳିଆ ଲାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି ଅଛି। କୋର୍ଟକୁ କୋର୍ଟ ଛୁଆ ଦେଖିବେ ନା ଆଉ। ଗାଁ ଲେଡି ମାନେ ଦୁଇଟା ଯୋଉ ହେଇଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଏମିତି ଝଗଡା ଲାଗନ୍ତି ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି। ସେଠୁ କେବେ ଲେଟର ଗଲା, ସବୁ କଥା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ। You are privy to all information. ଆରଟି କାହିଁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ? ଆପଣ ତ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି, ଆରଟି ଯିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ହଁ, ଆରଟିରେ ସବୁ ପାଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ। ଆଉ କାଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆରଟି ମାଗିବେ, ଆପଣ କାଲି କଣ ଖାଇଥିଲେ ଆରଟି ମାଗିବେ? ମିଳିବ ଏମିତି ଆଉ। ଆରଟିରେ ସବୁ କଥା ମିଳୁଛି ଆଉ। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 30.
30.
Your lordship has directed the state council to obtain instruction.
Date fixed for the final hearing of the appeal. Lordship directed to dispose of the appeal.
Within 7 days.
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍, ଆଗ ପଛ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଆଗ ପଛ ହେଇଗଲା, କଣଟା ହେଇଯାଉଛି, କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ ହେଇଗଲା। କିଛି କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ ହେଇନି, ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। Let him take time. କେବେ ସାରିବି? Okay. Okay, list the matter on Friday କରିଦିଅ। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ କରିଦିଅ, ମାନେ ଜାନୁଆରୀ 5th ଜାନୁଆରୀ ହେଲା। Let him complete. Next.
Item 31.
May please, Your Lordship. My lord, I have filed an. Oh, sorry.
31. କେତେ ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? କିଏ actually କିଏ? ହାତ ଟେକନ୍ତୁ। Actually କିଏ? ଆପଣ ନା ଆପଣ?
ମୋର ସେ ରଙ୍ଗଲି ସାନ ଭାଇଟା।
ରଙ୍ଗଲି କେମିତି? ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଇଥିବେ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମଝିରେ ଉଠେଇ ଅକାଳ ନାମ ମଝିରେ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନେଇ ଆସିଥିବେ।
In this, my lord, bail application, petitioner my lord filed an IMA lord interim application that is wife is suffering from referred to MKCG hospital for treatment, my lord. Interim bail, my lord.
Sir, what happened to the wife?
The wife, my lord, suffering, my lord, paragraph 3, my lord, I mentioned medical.
Paragraph 3 ବେମାର ହେଇଛି ତାକୁ।
Medical documents have also filed.
କଣ ହେଇଛି?
ତାର operation of my lord,
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖାଇଛି?
my lord, medical document I filed, my lord, IR ପଛପଟେ ଅଛି। And she has been referred to MKCG hospital.
MKCG କଣ ପାଇଁ?
ଓହୋ, MKCG hospital ରେଫର କରିଦେଲା, କଣ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ହେଇଗଲା?
ସେ ଆଡମିଟ ହେଇଥିଲା କୋଉଠି?
Return to MKCG Berhampur for O&G consultation.
ଆଉ ଜଣେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ସେ ONG ନଥିବ।
ONG consultation ରେ କଣ ଆପଣ ଇଏ ହେଇଗଲା?
ତାଙ୍କ ସେ ଓଭାରି my lord,
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଇଲେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଦେଖିବେ।
that is the
ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଆଡମିଟ ହେଲେ ଦେଖାଯିବ ହେଲା।
admit lordship
ଆପଣ ଆଉ କିଏ ନାହାନ୍ତି?
ଆଉ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି, ସ୍ୱାମୀ ତ ଗୋଟେ।
302 କରିବେ। ଆଉ ୱାଇଫ କୁ ଏତେ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ ତ 302 କାଇଁ କରୁଥିଲେ? ସେମାନେ ୱାଇଫ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ପାଆନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ ଯାଆନ୍ତିନି ସେମିତି।
ସେମାନେ ଗୁଣିଗରୁଡେ ପୁଣି ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଗୁଣିଗାରୁଡେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ
302
ଗୁଣିଗାରୁଡେ ତାକୁ ମାରି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗାଁ ଲୋକ। 7-8 ଜଣ lordships have committed.
ନା କଣ ଏଇଥିରେ ନା କଣ?
The petitioner's name, my lord, is that is ଦେବ ମିସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଏଲିଆସ ଦେବସନ ସବର। ସବର ମାନେ ସେମାନେ
ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ।
ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ମାନେ ପାର୍ଲାମେଣ୍ଟ
ସରି ରିଜେକ୍ଟେଡ।
ମେଡିକାଲ
ରିଜେକ୍ଟେଡ ସାର୍। ମେଡିକାଲ ୱାଇଫ ରେ ମେଡିକାଲ ଦେବା ଜରୁରୀ ନୁହେଁ। ସେମିତି ସମସ୍ତେ ୱାଇଫ ରେ ମେଡିକାଲ ଚାଲିବେ, ବିଲକୁଲ ଜରୁରୀ ନୁହେଁ। ଦେଇ ଦଉଛୁ ଆମେ, ଦେବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ।
କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି,
ନାହାନ୍ତି।
ସେ ମରିଯିବ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକ,
ମରିଗଲା। ଆପଣ କାହିଁ କ୍ରାଇମ କରୁଥିଲେ କି? ଆପଣ କ୍ରାଇମ ଏତେ ଭାବୁଥିଲେ ୱାଇଫ କଥା, ତାହେଲେ କ୍ରାଇମ କାଇଁ କଲେ?
କଷ୍ଟଡି 2 ବର୍ଷ ଉପରେ
ହେଲା। ହଉ 2 ବର୍ଷ ଆପଣ ଲାଇଫ ସାରା ରହିବେ।
ଆପଣ 7 ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ,
ଲୋକ ଗଳା କାଟିକି ମାରିଦେବେ, ତାପରେ ଆସିକି ୱାଇଫ ର ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ।
ନା ଏଟା ଗୁଣିଗରୁଡା କରି ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ମାରିଛନ୍ତି। ଲର୍ଡସିପ ସେ 7 ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଯାଉ।
7 ଦିନ ଦିନେ କେବେ ଦେବିନି, ଦିନେ ପାଇଁ ବି ଦିଆହବନି। ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ ସବୁ ମିଳେ ନା କଣ?
ଇମୋସନାଲ ବ୍ଲାକମେଲ କରନ୍ତୁନି। I don't have any emotion.
କଣ ଏଠି ଆମେ ମାନେ ଜାଣୁଛୁ ରିଜର୍ଭ ଲେବର।
ଯିଏ ୱାଇଫ କୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଏ ନା, ସେ ଏମିତି କାମ କରିବନି, ସେ କ୍ରାଇମ କରିବନି।
ସେମାନେ କନ୍ଧମାଳ ମିଲଟ ପାର୍ଲା କେମିତି ଗଜପତି ଏରିଆ ମିଲଟ
ଲୋକ ମାରିଦେବି ତାହେଲେ।
8-10
ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ ଟୁ କିଲ୍ ପିପୁଲ।
ଆକ୍ୟୁଜଡ 10 ଜଣ ମିଲଟ। 10 ଜଣ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ମାଇଲଟ ହିନ୍ଦୀ।
ହେଲା ତ କଣ ହେଲା? ଆପଣ ଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
ମାଇଲା କଣ ହେଲା ଦେଖି
ସରି
ଗୁଣିଗରୁଡା କରି ମରା ହେଇଛି।
ସରି ଯାଏ ତୁ, ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି।
ଟ୍ରାଡିସନ
ଦେବିନି, ଗୁଣିଗାରେଡ ହେଇ ଯାଏ ତୁ। ନେକ୍ସଟ
ଦେବେ ନା ଆପଣ କୋଟା ଟିକେ ଆମେ ଆଶା ରଖିଥିଲୁ ଟିକେ ମିଲଟ।
ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ପିଇବେ ଦେବି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଥିବେ, ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଥିବେ କିଛି ମେନ୍ ରୋଲ କିଛି ପ୍ଲେ
ଏଥିରୁ
ନଥିବେ
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି
ଛିଡା ହେଇଥିବେ ସେଇଟା ଦିଆଯାଏ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ପୁରା ନିଜେ ଆକ୍ଟିଭଲି ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଜି ଏଠି 13 ଜଣ ଯାକ ଗୁଣି ଗାଟାକେ ମାରିଛନ୍ତି।
ହଁ, ମାରନ୍ତୁ।
ଯଦି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଥାନ୍ତା ମାରେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିନଥାନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଯେହେତୁ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ
already your lordship rejected.
ହଁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା
ନା ନା
ଠିକ୍।
ମୁଁ ଦଉନି ସରି ସରି ରିଜେକ୍ଟେଡ ନେକ୍ସଟ
7 ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଯାଉ ମାରେ
ନାଇଁ,
ଓଭାରିଟା ଅପରେସନ ହେଇଯାଉ
କିଛି ହବନି
ମରିଯିବ ମାରେ ତା
କାଇଁ ମରିବ
କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି
ଏଟା ବହୁତ ଲମ୍ବା ଆୟୁଷ ଥିବ ଏମିତି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ମାନଙ୍କର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମାନେ ଦେ ନୋ ହାଉ ଟୁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ ଦେ ନୋ ହାଉ ଟୁ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ ଦେୟାର ଦିସ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ୱିଥଆଉଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ହେଲା ସେ ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ଥିବେ କାଇଁ ଅଶାନ୍ତି ଫେଲେଇବେ ଯାଇକି ଆପଣ ଭଲ ଲୋକ ତ କେବେ ହେଇନଥିବେ ଯାଇକି ଘରେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଅଶାନ୍ତି କ୍ରିଏଟ କରିବେ
ଏଟା କନ୍ଧ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ
ତା ଆଗରୁ ମରିଯିବ ସେ
ଏଟା କନ୍ଧ ଜଙ୍ଗଲିଆ ଲୋକ ସେ କିଛି ବୁଝନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ
ଖାଡୁଆ
ସେମାନେ ବୁଝନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ କିଛି
କଥା କଥାରେ କିଲ୍
13 ଜଣ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଇଟମ
କନସିଡରେସନ କରିଥିଲେ
ନା
The petitioner has already been surrendered. I have already filed the certified copy, but it has not come on the
सरेंडर ठीक है so you want to press the bail
First of all, liberty may be explained the trial. Only 3 witness was examined. His custody since
এটা আমি করি
liberty may
না না
they
liberty
renew my prayer after
হ্যাঁ liberty is not required who said I don't know এই ଆପଣ এই ଗୋଟେ କୋଟରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖେ ଆଜ୍ଞା liberty may be granted କୋଉ CRPC ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ବିନା liberty ରେ ଆପଣ କରିପାରିବେନି ମତେ ବତେଇଲେ ଆଉ କୋଉଠି କେ liberty କଥା କହନ୍ତିନି ଆପଣ ଏଇ liberty may be granted what do you need liberty
trial to
it is your right ଭାଇ liberty କୋଉଠୁ ଆଇଲା it is your right to approach the court for bail why should you need liberty from this court ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି liberty ନା ହେଲେ କନସିଡର କରିବେନି ନା liberty ଦେଇଦେଲେ ସେ ଆପଣ କନସିଡର ଦେଇଦେବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସେଟା ବି ନୁହଁ you can always approach the court who can stop you ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ସେ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଦେଖିଲେ କୋଉଠି liberty ବୋଲି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କୋଉଠି liberty ରେକର୍ଡ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କୋଉଠି then what next
Yes.
accept the
Yes. My lord.
petitioner has petitioner has when this order to keep in record order will keep in record okay. Next
Item 33. Lordship, I'm to virtual mode.
yes
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I'm seeking regular bail. The applicant is in JC from last 3 years and 4 months, and out of 33 charge sheeters witness, only 2 witnesses has been examined, and 1 independent witness has totally negated, falsified the prosecution story, and there is a tainted investigation on the face of the record. Lordship, I am seeking bail on the 3 grounds. That is first of the violation of Article 21, and in this way, I have
all bail is that is the first ground violation of 21 what is new in
Article
that
21. Lordship, since there is a law.
always in all bail matter violation of 21 is there sir in all bail matter that is the first thing
No, Lordship, in
say
this
something new
Lordship has
जोटा हमें जानिनु सेटा कहंतु which we don't know please say something which you don't know
no, Lordship. How can I know more than my lord?
no I am saying what is the other ground which is important that can be considered that I am asking
Yes, Lordship.
I'm not saying 21 everybody knows
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, it's the page number 38.
page
38 of my bail application.
38
This is the witness named
38 good
Naveen Harjan.
oh
41 lot.
33 okay
Lordship, page
he's from Nepal
no
his name is Nepal oh my
yes, Lordship. He is his name is the independent witness, and he has
Sundar Lal he's from which state he's from Odisha
sir. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. He's a local person.
so what is the ground for that
Lordship, this
what is the total quantity
Lordship, it's 1000 kg.
1000 kg
Yes, Lordship.
1046 he has been in custody since
21
year for
21st August 2020.
Lordship.
21
21/8/2020. Almost 3 years and 4 months of
2 persons were there. Is the
and this witness has Lordship totally
persons were
negated.
there in the Tata vehicle. The present petitioner is the
Okay, granted. Granted.
I'm obliged, Lordship. I'm so obliged.
8 2020. And he is in 21st or 2020. Road driver. Nothing. Period of custody. Did not consider the medical department. Then was the person. Okay, next.
Obliged.
Item 34.
I'm obliged.
Next.
Item 34. May I please, Lordship?
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
In this case, 13 accused persons granted bail by this
Okay,
honorable
I'm
court.
just, since this matter is not my assignment, the first time I'm thinking actually. Order. In. Oh. Mhm. What order कौन है? Order ऐसे कौन है? Right. So the order passed on 29/4/2021, wherein in paragraph 3 of the order, it was mentioned that in case the petitioner seeks for further adjournment on the next date of listing, the matter shall automatically be dismissed. The said order is recalled and let the matter be listed. Now, recalled on the request of Lord Counsel. Recalled on the request of Lord Counsel petition. On the request of Lord Counsel petition. Let the matter be listed before the appropriate bench. For hearing. Appropriate bench without hearing. The rest to list the matter before the appropriate bench.
Because the new appointment, the one honorable judge has been deal with. The honorable SK Saw deal with all the 13 applications. It can be mentioned in.
Not necessarily. Rest to place it before the appropriate bench. List the matter before the next.
Item 35.
35.
May I please? So in the last occasion, my learned senior sought for some time to file counter.
No, admitting. Counter को देंगे. Admitting. मैं तो बड़ा limitation में देती objection. And I have said 40 in learning plan.
On limitation ground, it can be dismissed.
Lordship, the only ground I have, my lords, my lord, this is a court of equity.
The court of equity is holy.
My lord, state 7 years decision naba pai, to can I not take 1 year? For my lords, for my ignorance, not my lords, more किसी भूल नहीं तेरे.
Court of you know कारण पाई court delay लगे.
ना court पाई नहीं. Court कता कौन है? ना court पाई no lordship. मु state कता कोची. My lords, मु apply कली 2005 रे. मोर dismiss कले 2013 रे stating that you are married. So why जदि pendant means जदि pending न था ताल तो मतलब decision नहीं आई जाता था. अपन ताको pending पके की रखले 13 मसिया जाए तापर कोचन 2010 मसिया रे ओडे notification अछि ता जोगु अपन को दिया जाई परिबोनी spending काई पडुथला. And second thing is your lordship, my lords, my lord, the order ta empty no ithanda, I've never approached this court because I know the limitation of review petition. My lords, mu joti penga assi chai court go. चैलेंज करेगी कि मु बाहर मोर जेहेतु बाहागर हे जाइछि मते दौ नांती तो मु सेई ग्राउंड रे इनफ्रक्चुअस केमे थई परियो गोटे मैटर
ଆପଣଙ୍କ advocate ତାକୁ place କଲେ
that is my lords it should not submit this is the means my lords it's a very bad situation my lords jo submit kale this my lords totally non application of mine by the learned council previous learned council
previous advocates the matter become infructuous so on that ground your lordship disposed of the WPCOAC
जदि खाली infructuous भी था ना my lords किसी problem न था because it has become infructuous as the petitioner is married the matter has become infructuous as the petitioner is married in the meantime my lords माने बुझी पड़छन
आपण कहले जहा था
exactly so my lords this is an injustice to the petitioner but if it is not be allowed it will be my lords serious injustice to the petitioner who is bona fide my lords will be my lords at stake
but serious injustice होतला त आपण जल्दी काहे आलेनी कोर्ट
my lords jaldi my lords eta this is the bitter truth my lords this order was not conveyed she was told that matter is pending don't take tension it will be ordered and my lords आपण देखंतु my lords we are living in a system जोटी मतलब मते 3 months लागि गला सर्टिफिकेट कॉपी पाए अपने my lords I have annexed 3 months date of kindly have a glance to the
delay of 376 days
yes my lords there is delay 1 year
और मासे 2 मास हम कर दोछु आपण वर्ष डिले कर
lordship that is the only lacuna I have in this case but my lords
that is the only
that's the biggest lacuna but because this order is like this jota dismissed infructuous heichi that is why I'm claiming my lords the merit रे तो मु अपील जाइथांती कि my lords स्वार जाइथांती it's my lords मु कोन करबे
जाउना अपील
किन करबी कोन अपील करबी किछि ग्राउंड नहीं my lords order रे कोन अपील करबी मु
अब रिव्यू रे मु कोन करबी ताले
my lords recall करबे मु आईएएस इतना के फाइल करतेली ये lordship
when there is the error apparent in the face of record
आपण निजे सबमिट कर दिदि सर कोन करियु
आपण से जो सबमिशन ता हेची से सबमिशन ता टोटली इन एप्लीकेशन नॉन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ माइंड
सर की कोन करियो कारण आपण के साइड नॉन एप्लीकेशन कोन करियो
मु साइड रे माइलर्स
हमर नॉन एप्लीकेशन मु चेंज कर देथांती आपण के नॉन एप्लीकेशन मु कोन करियो when the non application on your side I can't help if it is from our side I am there to review
जदेले मामे माइलर्स ठिया होचु क्लाइंट को रिप्रेजेंट करूचु जदी आ दुनिया रे किछि भी ग्राउंड एथांदा माइलर्स गोटे कथा एथांदा मु क्लाइंट को रिप्रेजेंट को
I understand your point but only thing is it too much delayed
definitely
if I condone one delay like this tomorrow your friend another 10 of your friends will file
state will first come I understand जो माइलर्स जो impugn order
अब धीरे धीरे स्टेट आडू से ऐसा कहले हमको कहीं कंडोन करबेनी
बट माइलर्स जदी मो एप्लीकेशन दा सेट पके के रखले
ऑर्डर okay if you want to prepare a note you can give a note
I also
give a short note
lordship on limitation or review
on everything
actually my lord this
I'll deal with everything don't worry
my lord review has not been admitted till date only on ground of limitation
oh acha not
review admitted
not admitted
my lords in kindly have a glance at the earlier order sheet देखो
okay सही order I non admit करके मैं order टा रखली बस साला order रिजर्व करो admit करा हला आगु हियरिंग admit न हला आगु हियरिंग बनी खत्म next
item 36
oblige my lords
with two is lordship
what is this
defect is there one defect lordship
defect
copy not solved I have solved the
okay sub
okay hardware copy are not obtained by
you want to get certificate list the matter January 11 10 तारीख next
37 may please your lordship my lord today I filed a IA my lord for the limitation my lord conditional delay my lord of
कितने दिन
67 days your lordship
delay conduct 67 days 80 days this
my lord
nothing
my lord
file कर चली
my lord 943
एथरे नहीं तो मरो
today I filed your lordship
today I लेकिन जासियो सर
maybe taken up next week
maybe taken Friday लगे Friday लगे तो delay conduct करो है ना
my lord obligation
you just ensure that it comes to the courts
my lord I'll ensure
next
38
38 my lord in both the cases I am for the opposite party number 4 and second case of 5 But today I'm filing
What is the case about?
counter file করছি আজি।
কোন কেসটা?
This case
Entire
is,
case of the
the opposite parties and the petitioners. They were applicant in pursuant to the advertisement of 2011 for the post of Shiksha Sahayak. The opposite parties, they prosecuted after matriculation the +2 science and arts.
আমার prosecuted কাই লাগো?
I'm just
sir
what they
গুড মিনিট স্যার
application of these,
গোটে মিনিট
they prosecuted an
সরি বেন আমি কথা শুনিবেনি আর
again.
এই ওয়ার্ড prosecute কাই লগান্তি? prosecuted study কাই কহନ୍ତି? pursued study কলা হন্তানি?
Yes, how?
এটা পুরোনা ইংলিশ থেকে এটা ইউজ করন্তু না।
No, pursue.
সবବେଳେ জায়গা prosecuted he will be prosecuted
No.
criminal
Already is absolutely correct.
criminal ରେ
More
more
appropriate.
ପାଉଛି ନା ନାହିଁ?
More appropriate.
ହଁ ସେ
Pursued is
ଆପଣ
more appropriate.
pursued p u r s u ହେଲା ହଁ
Pursued the
ଆପଣ ସେଇ ୱାର୍ଡ ସବୁବେଳେ କହିବେ ଏଥର ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ prosecuted କହୁଛନ୍ତି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ସେ prosecuted ତାହେଲେ କଣ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ତା ଭିତରେ ଦୁଇଟା କଣ ହେଲା?
it is more appropriate. Pursued
ମୁଁ
is
ଭୁଲ ବୋଲି କହୁନି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ରଙ୍ଗ ନୁହେଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଇଂଲିଶ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଫ୍ୟାଶନ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ prosecuted basing on is old English now based on these facts and circumstances basing on there is old archive English ସେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଆଜିକାଲି ଚାଲୁନି ଆପଣ ସେଟା ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
the crux is
ହଁ
they pursued the +2 science and in first that is a 2 years course +2 science or arts or commerce even the vocational course and before completion of 2 years they simultaneously pursued the vocational course that is also 2 years course in terms of
how
section
can you
2I.
simultaneously pursue
Yes, my lord. They acquired both. Opposite parties.
I am asking
how I am telling that is the allegation, my lord.
what is the how you can
The
pursue
opposite
two
parties
courses?
they my lord completed both the courses within 3 years, acquired certificate, and although first pursued the +2 science, and in the second year started the vocational course, both the courses simultaneously pursued and acquired the certificate. And but in the persons to the advertisement, they did not disclose these are the qualification. Despite the condition, all qualification is to be disclosed. And they relied the vocational certificate and thereby they got the engagement.
This certificate is Misra certificate no to Balangir Bella Misra
ନା ସେଇଟା ନୁହେଁ ଏଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି କଣ ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଡବଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ପାଇଥିବା ଲୋକ whether they can use it by suppressing the material fact in first hand they pursued the second course in suppression of the first one without surrendering the registration number, without giving the school leaving certificate. And the second stage of fraud is misrepresentation of fact is while they made application they did not give disclosure they are in possession of earlier a +2 science course or +2 arts course. They utilize the vocational certificate course that is the qualification because the 90 and 95% of marks. By that time the basis of selection was the marks only, the percentage of mark only. Thereby at this stage the present petitioners, similarly those who are bona fide candidates, those who are included within the gradation, the merit list, they became aggrieved when the district authority published second provisional merit list by including all those candidates. They lodged objection before the authority.
Now
and my lord, they approached third round, my lord. I'm just coming to what happened. My lord, this Hon'Ble High Court in first round in 2011 directed representation of disposal. Then what they did in pursuance to representation, they continued the inquiry. And during inquiry, they started without completing the inquiry, they proceeded to give engagement. At this stage, again they approached this Hon'Ble High Court. Court said, without completing inquiry, you should not give engagement. First complete inquiry, thereafter give the.
Now today, what for you here?
What happened? They were giving engagement with condition. If any irregularity is found, that will be cancelled. At this stage, they were served with a notice of disengagement. They come before this court. This batch of petitioners, they also come before this court. Both the batch of writ application was clubbed together and final order was passed.
Now
just
sir,
I'm just coming to matter. Final order was
answer you cannot come. You will not allow you to argue. So you should learn the just the way to answer the court's question.
Malad, malad.
ଆପଣ
But I have that-
ସେ ଯୋଉ ବନ୍ଦେ ଭାରତ ଭଳିଆ ପଳେଇଲେ କେମିତି ହବ? ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେସନରେ ବଜେଟ୍ ରଖିବେ ନା କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ କରିବେ ଲୋକ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଁ ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ପଚାରୁଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ। ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି so now what is the genesis of this case?
Yes.
I mean what for you are here?
I am for the petitioners.
ଆଉ ଜାଣିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଜାଣିଲି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି?
My humble submission is would the third round this Hon'Ble High Court categorically directed the complete
Sir, if
the
third
process-
round, second
Malad,
round,
I'm just
say round ର କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ।
I'm deleting. Malad. I'm just-
Liquidation disposal ର round
collector
ଟା।
to give a collector to make an
Sir,
inquiry
ମୋର
and take a
question
decision.
ଟା
The
answer
collector took a decision.
ଆପଣ
That is under challenge, Malad. That is
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ
decision
ଲାଇନ୍
of
ରେ
the
ଆନ୍ସର
collector
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
is
ଗୋଟେ
under
ଲାଇନ୍ ରେ
challenge.
ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଇ ଜାଣନ୍ତିନି କି?
Malad, annexed
ଏ ଲମ୍ବା କଣ ପାଇଁ କରନ୍ତି ସାର୍? ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ୍ ରେ ପଚାରୁଛି what is the cause of action? ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ୍ ରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
Yes,
ଗୋଟେ
sir.
single line ଆପଣ
Single line. The order passed by the collector
what is the order?
under Annexure 12
କଣ
that they
ସେ
are
order କଣ କହିଲା ସେ?
ସେଥିରେ ସିଏ hold କଲେ
ହଁ।
yes they have committed some irregularity that is not disputed.
So you are
However,
saying
they
you
have
have
been
come
engaged.
against the irregularity, still they have not considered. That's what your
Yes, madam.
That's the କହିଲେ ଗୋଟେ line ରେ କହିବେ।
They
round
and the merit list was not recasted, they were not removed. We are moving around
okay
and we are the bona fide candidates. She could first class.
କେବେକାର କେସ୍ ଏଟା?
Malad,
କେବେକାର କେସ୍? 2015
ନା ଏ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କେସ୍ ହଉଛି 2015
11
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଟା କେବେ?
ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ହଉଛି in persons to advertisement 2011
11 ମସିହାର
first round second round there is third round
ସାଧାରଣତଃ ସେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ର ମାନେ କଣ? ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କୋର୍ଟରେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଆଗଲେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଏଟା ରାଉଣ୍ଡ
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ ଅସୁବିଧା that's declaring why I say because of this
and now the question is this post available now? এই ସ୍କିମ୍ ଟା ଅଛି କି ଏବେ?
ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି, ଆମେ ରେଗୁଲାର ହେଇଗଲୁଣି।
ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି ଏବେ?
may be regular but they have committed
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି।
ହଁ
But if scheme is not available, so I pass order. Will that be effective then? Wrong then. If I pass
they have obtained
Arey sir,
Malad,
get the ruhantu. Keep your gunpowder ready, but don't use it rough unnecessarily. That gunpowder will be waste. I'm asking, is this scheme available now? Can they be considered again? Suppose tomorrow I say this person their order is set aside, but can they be? ସେଇ ତ କହୁଛି ସେଟା ନହେଲେ ତ କିଛି ଫାଇଦା ହବନି। They will be stale during the course of the pendency of the court. That have to check it. Otherwise, ଆପଣ ମୁଁ order pass କରିବି ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସ୍କିମ୍ ନେଇ କୋଉଠୁ ଦେବୁ? Then everything goes.
well they have obtained engagement.
Sir, I am not on that, sir. I understand.
They have to be ousted.
ସେଟା କହିବେ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଗଲି ଆପଣ ନ କହିବେ ଖାଇଲା ପଢିକି ଆସି ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ। ମୁଁ ପଚାରିବା କାରଣ ଥାଏ ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ଇଏ ଭିତରୁ ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ପଚାରେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ ନ ପଢିକି ଆସିଛି। ଫିର ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଭିତରୁ କାହିଁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି? ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଯଦି that scheme is not available because this is a schematic job. If scheme is not available then they can't be. କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ଦେବେ? ସପୋଜ କାଲି ତାଙ୍କର ଇନଭାଲିଡ ହେଇଗଲା appointment. But you say ତ ସେ ବି ଗଲେ ଆପଣ ବି ଗଲେ।
No, against those
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲାଭ କଣ ହବ?
against those but because we are our name find place in the merit list, how could they will be included?
ତ ବୁଝିଲେନି ମୋ କଥା। ଆପଣ 11 କଥା ଏବେ ସେ ସ୍କିମ୍ ନଥିଲା ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଜବ ଦେବି? ସରକାର କହିଲା ସେ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଆମର ନାହିଁ। ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ଲିଟିଗେସନ ପାଇଁ ଯାହା ବି you have anyway you have lost that time. 11 ବର୍ଷ ପଳେଇଲାଣି 12 ବର୍ଷ ପଳେଇଲାଣି। ଏବେ ଯଦି ସେଇ ସ୍କିମ୍ ନଥିବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସେ କୋଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏପଏଣ୍ଟ କରିବ?
I'm just coming, Malad. The post are there.
Let him take section.
Malad, the Shiksha Sahayak posts are against the regular assistant teacher post of primary schools, Malad.
Let him take instruction. Take instruction. Land Council of the state to take instruction. It is whether the post available under the scheme is still available.
Yes
or not. No. Let's see. Okay, next. List the matter.
ମୁଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟରଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଦେବି।
ପଛେ ଦେଖିବା ସାର୍ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆଗ ସ୍କିମ୍ କଣ ଅଛି ଦେଖିବା।
ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟରଟା ବକ୍ସ ଏଠୁ ଅଫିସରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି।
Obviously ଏଠି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଥୋଡ଼ି ଫାଇଲ କରାଯାଏ। This is not a place to file a counter. 4th January. Let him take instruction. ନାଇଁ 4th ସାତ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଲମ୍ବେ କରିବେ 2011-12 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ମ୍ୟାଟର ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଅଛି। ଆଉ ନଥିଲେ ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ ବି ହେବ ଚିନ୍ତା କରନ୍ତୁ। ଯୋଉଟା ଅର୍ଡର ମୁଁ ପାସ୍ କରିବି ଯେମିତି ପାସ୍ କରିବା କଥା। You can send your junior. He will be assisting me. Don't worry. କିଛି ସେ assistant କରିବେ। ତାକୁ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ କରି ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ସେ assistant କରିବେ ସବୁ ନିଜେ ଧରି ମାଡିକି ବସିଛନ୍ତି ନା କଣ? କିଛି କିଛି ଜୁନିୟରକୁ ବି ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ,
କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ମାଡ଼ିବ
ଜୁନିୟରକୁ ବି ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଜୁନିୟରକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବା ଶିଖି ଆସେନି ନହେଲେ କେମିତି? ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ନିଜେ ନିଜେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ।
ସାହୁ ବାବୁ ଯେମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତା ଚାକିରି ପଳେଇବ।
ସାହୁ ବାବୁ କହିବାଟା ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବି କି?
ସେ ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ସେଇ ବନ୍ଦେ ଭାରତ ଗୋଟେ
ଯୋଉଟା
କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ,
ଇଏ କଣ କେହି ରହିପାରିଲେନି ସାମ୍ନାରେ ବନ୍ଦେ ଭାରତ।
ଯୋଉଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, our argument also kills. Try to understand that. ହଁ
ଆପଣ ଠିକ କଥା କହିଲେ।
ବାସ୍, ଯୋଉଟା our argument ବେଳେବେଳେ ଖରାପ କରେ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଯୋଉଟା I am there to take care of, don't worry. ଯୋଉଟା the court will prejudice none.
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ତ ସାର୍
Okay, that don't worry. ଯାଅ,
ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ପାଇଁ କହୁଥିଲି।
that's for ଥାଉ।
ଯଦି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନହେଲେ ଥାର୍ଡ
ଥାର୍ଡଟା ଖୋଲିବ କୋର୍ଟଟା ଥାର୍ଡ।
ଥାର୍ଡରେ କୋର୍ଟ ଖୋଲିଛି କି? କୋର୍ଟ ସେକେଣ୍ଡରେ ଖୋଲିଛି ନା ଆଉ। ଆଚ୍ଛା ପିକନିକ ମାନେ ଯିବେ? ହଉ ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି, 8ରେ ଆସ। 7th ସଣ୍ଡେ ଆଉ କଣ 7 କହୁଛନ୍ତି, 8ରେ ଆସ। 8 next.
Item 39.
39.
Item 39, the only grievance is, even though petitioner was appointed as Asa Kurmi, appointed as Asa for Bornapad village under Jhagrai Gram Panchayat, under the CSC Kumna since 2006, she has not been allowed to discharge her duty.
Appointed and not allowed to discharge. Why?
No, she was appointed in 2006. She was
appointed in 2006, then whatever. Kete din?
2.5 years she has not entered the not completed her activity, training activity for 2.5 years because of the fact that one of the family member, there was a dispute between the present petitioner's family and the Anganwadi workers family. There was a murder. Out of that, she has absconded from the post for a long period, the present Asa Karmi.
Okay.
Though in the meantime, by the time of filing the counter affidavit, 13th August 2019, we have filed the counter affidavit. In my counter affidavit, our specific stand is, we have not descended in till date. Prior to this matter, till 13th August 2019. But in the meantime, 4 years has already lapsed. I don't know what is the present status. I have to take instruction from the.
Okay, take instruction regarding the present status of the post. Sir, let him
keep it in fast track. Not appoint. Nobody.
Let him take instruction, sir. Let him take.
Let's keep it in fast track.
Fast. 5th trust.
5th as
Item 40.
Lordship, I am the petitioner person. Last occasion, directed no affidavit or reply will filed by anybody. And directly say again giving that affidavit.
What is the issue?
The LIC, the compensation only.
Compensation.
I'm giving only the short note.
Give him a copy.
What is
So you paid the premium for 10 years regularly.
Yes, yes.
Then the policy was matured in the month of September 2021. So on maturity, what would have you have received from the LIC?
5,46,340.
5,46,340.
Actually,
the loyalty as against total premium of which 6,12.
Yes.
So this is also your
premium is also less than the premium paid.
No. This is this policy also the additional feature is that if anything happens to you, you will get compensation.
Loyalty.
What this is called loyalty?
Death benefit.
Death benefit.
Death benefit.
So you will get death benefit if you so
it is not death benefit, it is mature benefit only.
Huh?
It is I am
that prayer, it is for maturity benefit only. Sir, just ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି this scheme was the premium you are paying for death benefit. Suppose nothing happens, 25 then
lakhs.
you'll get back the money. The premium, whatever, with some interest or something, whatever. So what was the total money you should have received if nothing happens, suppose?
12,50,000.
12,50,000. That is there in the policy.
Yes, yes.
What is that?
Policy is saying 12,50,000.
So your grievances, since you are supposed to get 12 lakh, you have received 5 lakh something.
Yes, yes.
That is your grievance?
Yes, sir.
Where is that 12 lakh benefit? Let's see. 40.
Page
Table
25.
ଦେଖେଇବିନି, ସେ table ଦେଖେଇବିନି, ସେ table ଆପଣଙ୍କ faulty table ଟା. ସେ table ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି faulty table ଟା. ସେ table ହିସାବରେ ଯିବନି. So page ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
Page 25. Read please some.
25.
Page 25. Main read petition.
Put लगाइए on maturity will get this much amount. What is that?
Sir,
Maturity
page
କେତେ ପାଇବେ କୋଉଠି लगाइए?
Page 25.
Sir, I am there. କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଟିକେ ମତେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
This is highlighted only here only.
Highlighted?
Not that page, here only. Please.
No. Tom Rider sum assured 1,49,000. Installment premium payment 312.
ऊपर कौन
Tom
सा?
Rider premium
Maturity sum assured ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି.
maturity sum ଟା କେତେ?
Maturity sum
Some
assured
master 12,50, debt benefit 12,50.
बस.
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି sir? ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ first ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
हाँ.
Death benefit is sum assured under 12,50,000.
Yes.
Sir, on what ground that maturity benefit is
Kindly
not
see that policy, man. My learned friend is not. Page 25, kindly see that policy.
25?
This is a policy bears two kinds of benefits. One is maturity sum assured, other is death benefit sum assured.
But is it both combined together?
No.
No.
In case
It is only maturity.
yes, in case
There is no death benefit.
nothing untoward happens,
Suppose he dies in
he
between.
dies 12,50,000.
That is 25 lakhs.
Kindly see the policy, please don't. Kindly see the policy, my lord. Page 20.
हाँ sir, death benefit sum assured is right.
Yes.
Death benefit sum assured अपन 12,50,000 ଯଦି
Yes.
death ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ 12,50,000 ପାଇବେ.
Right.
ଆଉ ଯଦି ନ ହେଲା ଆପଣ
ତା ଉପରେ
Tom
ଲେଖା-
Rider sum assured is for
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ତା ଉପରକୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତା ଉପରକୁ ସେ ଟାଇପରେ ଚଢି ଯାଇଛି ଟିକେ ମ୍ୟାଚୁରିଟି ସମ୍ ଆସ୍ୟୁର୍ଡ 3,70,400
ଆମକୁ ତ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ 12,50.
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ନା ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ବୁଝିବାର ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି ଇଜ ରାଇଟ୍. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଡେଥ୍ ହବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇ କଥା ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ. ଇଜ ଇଟ୍ because it is scheme is meant for both. ଯଦି ଡେଥ୍ ହେଲା ଆପଣ 12,50,000 ପାଇବେ, ଡେଥ୍ ନ ହେଲେ ଆପଣ 3,70,000.
ହାଇ ରିସ୍କ ପଲିସି ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ଥିଲେ ବି
ଟାଇମ ଅଫ ପଲିସି ସେଇଟା ଆମକୁ ପଲିସି ନେଲା ବେଳେ ପରଚେଜ କଲା ବେଳେ
ଏଇଟା ପରା ପଲିସିଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସାର୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ କହିବେ କ'ଣ ସାର୍? ଆପଣ ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ୍ ଲୋକ କହିବେ ଆପଣ କ'ଣ?
ନାଇଁ ନା ସେଟା ନାଇଁ ସେଟା 12,50,000 କହିଥିଲେ ଆସ୍ୟୁର୍ଡ ବାଇ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସର.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ବୁଝିପାର ଡେଥ୍ ସମ୍ ଡେଥ୍ ବେନିଫିଟ୍ ସମ୍ ସାର୍. ଯଦି ଡେଥ୍ ହେଲା ପାଇବେ ସେତିକି. ଆପଣ ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କ୍ଲିୟରଲି.
ଆମକୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି 12,50,000.
ଆଉ କହିଲେ କେମିତି କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ଯାଇକି କ'ଣ ଗପିଥିବ ସେଟା କାଗଜକୁ ଦେଖିବି.
ସେ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କମିଶନର ଆସିଛି ଆମ ଘରକୁ. ମୁଁ ଯାଇନି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କମିଶନର କାମ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଘରକୁ ଆସିକି ଏଇଟା ପଚାରିକି ଯିବ.
ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି 7 ନଟ୍ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ.
ଯିଏ ଆଇଲା ମତଲବ ନାହିଁ. କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି, ଆପଣ ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ୍ ଲୋକ, ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି?
ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସିଂ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ.
ଆଡଭୋକେଟ. ଆଉ ଆପଣ ପୁଣି ଏଇଟା ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି? ଆଉ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟକୁ କ'ଣ ବୁଝେଇବେ ତାହେଲେ?
କହିଛନ୍ତି they have assured 12,50,000.
ସେ କହିଲେ ମାନେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣ ଲେଖାଟା ଦେଖିବୁ ନା ଆପଣ କିଏ କ'ଣ କହିଦେଲା ଗପିଦେଲା ଯିବେ ସେଠିକି? ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି. ଡେଥ୍ ବେନିଫିଟ୍ ସମ୍ ଆସ୍ୟୁର୍ଡ ଇଜ୍ ରାଇଟ୍.
ଆମକୁ ଟେବୁଲ ଦେଖେଇକି ବୁଝେଇଲେ ଲର୍ଡସିପ.
परचेज कला बेले they have not told accident हेले death हेले 12 लाख बेरा टिके जो jumping
They are not
ताको
disclosed the
बचे
negative benefit will come.
हां
They are not disclosed the fact negative benefit will come.
सर नेगेटिव बेनिफिट कोन हैला सब पॉजिटिव सर
हेल्थ पॉलिसी रे पैसा फेरुची
आपण सब आपण देखो इंश्योरेंस जे करूछंती जण डेथ जण न हला ई स्कीम रे आपण आ गुटे स्कीम केवल आमे एगुटे एक्सीडेंट डेथ पे करथांदु से किछि फेरेनी आपण टोटल न हला गला पैसा
आमे सब हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस करछु
जदि किछि न हला डेथ भगवान हेल्थ केबे खराब
There are number of policies have
सर नंबर ऑफ पॉलिसी रे मोर जीवन नाही एई पॉलिसी रे कोन आई विल फोकस ऑन दैट ओनली आपण निजे देखंतु आपण एडवोकेट आपण कोन बुझेबी आपण निजे देखंतु एटा कोन लिखाई छी देखंतु clearly the death benefit sum assured under what plan eta ki plan eta
the death benefit sum assured under main plan
sir death hela मिलिबो एति की आपण डेथ न हला ए 3 लाख 70 हजार नहीं
रॉयल्टी भी पाइबे 5 लाख सब
बाकी सब मिसिक ठीक तो दैछन भूल किछि भूल नहीं
हमु तो 12 लाख 50 मिलिबो
नहीं सर मिलिबोनी अननेसरी आपण बुझु ना कि लॉयर हिक आपण बुझु ना सादा लोग कोन बुझिबे क्लियरली लिखाई छी बरादी
पॉलिसी इज डिफेक्टिव
सर पॉलिसी डिफेक्ट के नउथले ताले मुडरो आपण मना करथांती
जणा पले ना
हां जानि पले तो दरस होइतांतु की कहू
दैट इज विडन
जहाँ को पॉलिसी डिफेक्ट लागला से नबनी कि आपण जबरदस्ती थोड़ी अछि
ना ना एटा
आ 10टा इंश्योरेंस कमी मार्केट रे अछि ए दुकान वाले से दुकान
जान नथला ता परे
नो 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 नो
2014
लगा ऑर्डर लगा द पिटिशनर इज policy holder of LIC policy Jivan Saral Plan with insurance policy number 58778531 issued by the LIC of India for some assured benefit of rupees 12,50,000 some assured death benefit लगा जानी कि अपन डेथ छाड़ दीजिए कितने चाला का अपन डेथ छाड़ दीजिए सी वाटर some assured death benefit of rupees 12,50,000 Hello. As per the said policy
bond is divided.
Rohan to sir,
they
bond for
withdrawal policy without informing us.
Sir, why should they inform me for everything? You are educated boss, sir. Can you read it?
This is contract agreement only.
बिल्कुल nothing agreement. Agreement किछि लिखा ही नहीं. जोटा हम policy paper सही से जीवी. आपण agreement ताले का sign करदले? देखिली न बोल करी?
Agreement is this bond is
nothing. Like as per the said policy, that is LIC Jivan Saral bracketed with profit. And the said policy reflects that the maturity sum assured is rupees 3,70,400 plus some loyalty benefit. However, the death benefit sum assured under the main plan was 12,50,000. Since the said policy got matured and the maturity sum assured, which is 3,70,400 plus loyalty. Accordingly, the insurance company has paid rupees 5,46,340.
Yes.
The petitioner's grievance cannot be entertained. The petitioner's claim of rupees 12,50,000 cannot be entertained since it is the claim for death benefit and the petitioner is since the petitioner is aware of the policy document and he has gone through everything and the policy document is with him,
the policy is divided, sir.
Sir, Surantu, which reflects.
Withdraw करतला हम कोई they can divert the policy otherwise they have not.
Sir, they are not diverted. They have not diverted. Your understanding is wrong. Your understanding is wrong totally. Sorry. This is clear cut. That's it. About death हले मिलीबा 12 लाख 50 clear death कोड भूल अछि बुझाडी परने आपण कहीं बुझना
बुझेले हमको माचुरी 12 लाख
तार से माने बुझेले कोन आपण तो आपण शिक्षित लोग आपण तो बुझे थाते से लोग आपण क्लाइंट कोन करंदी आपण क्लाइंट कोन करंदी क्लाइंट आपण तो निजे ना हां निजे आपण तो जानि परलेनी ସେମାନେ କଣ ବୁଝେଇଲେ ସେ ଯିବେ
ବୁଝେଇଲେ ଟେବୁଲ ନେଇ ବୁଝେଇଲେ ଏଇଟା
ଆପଣ ଅବୁଝା ହେବେ କି
ସେ police ଟା defect ଅଛି ସେ matter going to Supreme Court also.
Supreme Court she is the petitioner is an advocate and a learned person who has
At the time of taking policy, I am not advocate.
କଣ ଥିଲେ
I am working in corporate.
corporate କଣ ଥିଲେ
Only 2018 I am taken
corporate କଣ ଥିଲେ
senior manager.
senior manager ଥିଲେ senior manager
No, no, at the time of policy.
at the time of taking the policy the petitioner was a senior manager in a corporate firm, hence the petitioner was
Then proposal form they have told.
sir କଣ କହିଲେ am least bothered ଆପଣ ତ educated ଲୋକ ଏତିକି ମୁଁ ଲେଖୁଛି and he is sufficiently educated to understand the policy.
At least whatever paid that also not got na.
Sir ଆଉ ଅଧିକା ମୁଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେ ଲେଖ dismissed hence the petition cannot be entertained or dismissed. ଲେଖା କ୍ଲିୟରଲି ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ନହେଲେ ପାଇବେ ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ଦେବି
ସେ identity cases କେତେ ଲୋକ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା because they are faulty.
ଆପଣ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି କହୁଛି ସେମାନେ ଭୁଲ କହିଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏମିତି କେମିତି ଦେଇଦେବେ LIC ଦେବେ LIC ବୋକା ହେଇଛି ଦେଇଦେବ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ପଇସା
ମାଡ୍ରାସ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ order
ସେ ମାଡ୍ରାସ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆମ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି ସେମିତି ମାଡ୍ରାସ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କଣ କରିଥିଲେ
କିନ୍ତୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ
if
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
you are aggrieved
Zero double seven of 2006.
Already
oh अच्छी ଏଇଟା
Lord, kindly allow to mention a memo. The disposal of matter and the matter disposal on 23/11/2023, but till now judgment has not been delivered.
oh କାଲି
Okay.
next 2 p.m.
Item 45.
Yes.
That's in fact, item 45, my synergy appearing, abnormality appearing. Definitely today is 19th lordship. It would take definitely.
Why are you
some
worried
time.
about that?
But others are waiting.
Why?
So,
Why should you bother?
no, we are ready. But lordship before vacation.
So, what is the, I mean,
Some date in January.
some date in January. Really once I don't have any issues. So let. So, this is the matter on then 10th, 11th, 10th, 10th January. Entry mode.
All
entry mode.
cases empty.
So, I expect that should not go to the February one.
No, we are ready, lordship.
So, finish it on that.
Lordship.
So, everybody should have your own.
Lordship.
Note
With
of-
the written note and everything else. Grateful, lordship.
It should not go to 20, well, just beyond January.
No, lordship. On
This
10th,
small issue, not taking.
small issue. 10th it can be lordship. We have already argued lordship. Grateful, lordship.
Item 41.
Oh,
sorry. Item 9.
Have a glance over the last order sheet.
41.
Miller.
Item 9.
Yes, before that, let's item 9, let it be over.
Miller.
Huh?
Item 9.
Yes, what happened? Are you ready?
Yes, my lord.
You are not.
No, my lord, I'm ready.
You don't look confident.
No, I don't. I go through the level.
Please argue.
I don't know that. I know
Please argue. That's why I'm said. I have said that because you have not approached the ADM. You have not approached the ADM court. Sorry, sub collector. You have not approached to sub collector. Okay. Land concept of the petitioner. 6. Next 6 of the junior concept. Since the matter, since the appeal lies before the sub collector. Sub collector. Kalahandi. As the petitioner is related to approve the sub collector Kalahandi by a appeal. Dharmagad. PS. Dharmagad. He knows better than you, okay? He's from he's from that district.
Here is that in of me.
Dharmagar, accordingly, the petitioner is granted liberty to approach the sub-collector Dharmagar within 2 weeks from today, and sub-collector Dharmagar shall dispose of the appeal at the earliest possible, preferably within a period of 3 months from the date of filing of the appeal. Okay. Next.
Item 41.
41.
Lord, on the last day, the Lordship directed CMC to obtain instruction that whether CMC has preferred appeal against the trial court judgment that is under Annexure 4. Because our instruction is that since that was passed matter ex parte, so CMC filed a CMA, that is CMA 82 of 2009 for setting aside that under Order 9 Rule 13. But since this is old matter, they also could not trace out the fate of the case.
You have not approached the, you have not filed appeal.
Not appeal since ex parte judgment was passed, trial court. So against that to
But
set
you
aside
have not
that.
done anything for the last 7 years, and now how, what can be done?
2009 रे file करଥିଲେ
9
CMA
ରେ ଏଇଟା କେତେ ମାସ ହେଲାଣି?
সেটা
14 years
old
ହେଇଛି।
matter ଟା ସେ could not
14 years
trace out
ହେଲାଣି।
whether ସେଟା dispose of ହେଇଛି କି ନା ସେ
14 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ଆପଣ ଯଦି କିଛି ନ କରିଥିବେ ଲାଗୁଛି ତ ଆଉ କିଛି କରିବେ।
say my learned senior may also because they were the parties
You
in
are
the
for the
case.
CMC.
CMC but the old matter could not trace out the fate of the case.
That CMA has been dismissed since 2022.
You have the order?
Yes.
Let's see.
That
ଆଉ କଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ କପି
copy
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଥିବ
ଆଉ WhatsApp ରେ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ଅଛି ସାର୍, କେତେ ଜେରକ୍ସ ପେପର ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବେ? ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ଦେଖେଇଦେଲେ ତ ବୁଝିଯିବେ ଆପଣ କଣ।
against this I have to obtain instruction against this ଯଦି CMC କିଛି file କରିଥିବ or if your lordship
ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଲେ ମିଷ୍ଟର
pass
ଭୂୟାଁ
any order lordship may
ଫାଇଲ
reflect
କରିଦେଲେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ଭୂୟାଁ ଜାଣିନଥିବେ।
lordship may observe that it will be subject to my lords any action if
Dismiss for default actually.
further chance
ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡର against କିଛି କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ସେଇଟା I have to instruction ନବ ଏଇଟା
Let him take instruction।
କିଛି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ ଯେ but ତଥାପି let him a counsel learned counsel for the petitioner sorry the municipal commissioner municipal corporation sorry CMC admit that he has to take instruction regarding any appeal filed by the CMC against the order dated 14/7/2022. This is the matter. First 9th January. Just to take instruction. You keep this certified copy. It seems. Okay, next.
item 42.
42.
Lordship. Last occasion, Lordship directed to Standing Council to for instruction regarding the computer certificate is not an affiliated and recognized institute. Computer certificate. Lordship, the rejection, computer certificate rejection, page 9.
Page 9.
See the page 9. Page 19, 19.
हाँ से 9 रे प्रेयर अछि आपन
19.
हाँ 9 रे प्रेयर अछि एतबे कहली
9.
ओके एटा कोन लिखि छी
लिखिचंती KBVIT is not an affiliated recognized institute from any university.
KBVIT माने कोन ना कोन पूरा
Lordship
पूरा ना कोन KBVIT
पूरा नाटा नहीं page 16 the certificate of KBVTI
एटा हिंदी टॉम हैरी इंस्टीट्यूशन जे भी खोली दछन गोटे ता आपण से
kindly see the certificate under
ये सर्टिफिकेट के माने नहीं मैडम एडवांस डिप्लोमा इन कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन हिंदी ग्रेड सर्टिफिकेट दे दो
they have taken
देखिए कहां संग एफिलिएटेड यार affiliated to
Lordship the NSDC under Ministry of Finance
कोड
Government
लगाई
of
जी
India Finance Government of India
केते कोन लिखि ISO 901 2008 सर्टिफिकेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेशनल ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर NSDC DGET अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लेबर ओ केते बड़ बड़ कथा लिखि से किछि
Government of India Government of Odisha
किछि नथिबो न रिकॉग्नाइज काय करन देनी आपण
they have taken, Lordship, kindly see the merit list.
मैडम मेरिट लिस्ट कथा ठीक है जी सर्टिफिकेट जो पाइते थे
Merit list ta kindly see. The other person SC ST category ADCA computer certificate ADCA is taken. They taken ADCA computer certificate. Other person
एडीसी माने कोन
ADCA advanced diploma computer application.
अच्छा
एटी नहीं चंती से माने नहीं
कार नहीं छंदी कार नहीं छंदी
एटी सीरियल नंबर 2 फाइनल लिस्ट
से कोड ए इंस्टीट्यूट पाई छी
एडीसी
ए दीची ए इंस्टीट्यूट देची की
नहीं नहीं जो इंस्टीट्यूट दो किंतु एडीसी वाला को नहीं चंती तांको
नहीं एडीसीए पीजीडीसीए एमसीए बीसीए
कोर्स नहीं छंदी जे एमन कहवा कथा हला एमती जो टॉम हेरी इंस्टीट्यूशन को भी खोल देला
ओनली ग्राउंड
सेटा
एडवर्टाइजमेंट टिके देखंतु एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे लिखि चंती मिनिमम +2 और इट्स इक्विवेलेंट
मैडम that part nobody disputing only dispute with respect to the institution where from you have obtained the certificate
clarification the advertisement there is no
कोड भी आने पकेबे
Lordship,
क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं बोली कोड भी नहीं आसीबे
ना ना कोठु केंटी आमे सेठी पाठ पढिचु सेठी
केबीबीआई बीटीआई इंस्टीट्यूशन
1 year course clarification किछि
1 year केते दिन आपण अटेंड करछंती
1 year course 1
केते दिन अटेंड करछंती
1 year करछु कोर्स
1 year करछंती सो
केवल लिखि चंती
आपण कैंडिडेट अछि कि मु क्वेश्चन दीटा पचार छै देखि केंदी 1 year कोर्स को जाना पड़ियो अछि
कैंडिडेट आगे सी एते बाटरु सुवर्ण
अरे काले अछि बोले पचार दी रहउ जानि थांती जे सतरे पाठ पढि गेली ना एंती सर्टिफिकेट आजकल एंती से बहुत सर्टिफिकेट आजकल बीए बीएडी सब सर्टिफिकेट मिलु छी एटा का बड़ कथा
ना से करिछि एवं प्रैक्टिकल वर्तमान भी पुनी ओटे करिछि सर्टिफिकेट कर सारी मते देछि
एठी जा देछन सेटा देखि सेटा कोन करियो
देछि पूर्वरु देछि एटा पर एबे भी पढुछि बिलाडा
ये restriction is not recognized and what can I do
मेरिट लिस्ट के देखंतु सर
मेरिट लिस्ट के पर है
एडीसीए वाला को नहीं जंती मु एडीसीए तापर एससी
they are not disputing with respect to your ADCA qualification they are disputing with respect to institution जहां से आपने किया वो इंस्टीट्यूशन फेक है
एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे कौन सी इंस्टीट्यूट क्लैरिफिकेशन
काहे की इंस्टीट्यूट क्लैरिफिकेशन करा जाएगी सेंती आपण कोन रिकॉग्नाइज लिखा जाय खाली करा जाय नहीं
किछि लिखा
आपण रिकॉग्नाइज भी नहंती
रिकॉग्नाइज पई कि किछि लिखा नहीं एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखनु पेज
नहीं कोड भी नहीं आसी पड़े आसी मो कंप्यूटर गुडे छोटा इंस्टीट्यूट अछि ताडू जादा लेकिन सर्टिफिकेट आजकल एंती कदा बाहर छी
एससी वुमेन कैटेगरी
एससी तो कौन है
वुमेन कैटेगरी वुमेन रिजर्वेशन 3 वुमेन काइंडली
रिजर्वेशन बोली कोन ये अच्छा गुड कथा मते कहले रिजर्वेशन बोली कि जो
ना किछि हमें तो अलगा किछि देइनु हमें देइचु सेटा जहा मागी चंती हमें देइचु सेटा
बट इंस्टीट्यूट आपण ना देछन तार से इंस्टीट्यूशन में कोन अछि इंस्टीट्यूशन किछि रिकॉग्नाइज कोड लिखाई किछि लिखाई
लिखाला गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिसा रो लिखि
क्लैरिफाई टू इश्यूज if my learned senior is
kindly see kindly advertisement
data page only page 9 that is the education qualification jota koha gala ki the candidate should have minimum +2 or its equivalent pass with computer proficiency of O level so O level is must now O level
ए त ता परडा
no मतलब I'm just coming see जोटा देखौ चंदी एटा A grade and just there is a distinction
मु एक ग्रेड कथा कहू
no the certificate which she has enclosed मतलब पेज नंबर टा if lordship will see
ए ग्रेड में तार
सेटा लेवल सेटा 2-1 रो नो
ए लेवल मु कहूनी कि ए ग्रेड कहूनी
सेटा 2-1 affiliated संस्था टू तो फर्स्ट कथा ला से सर्टिफिकेट he has not obtained when he has not got secondly A grade is not equivalent to O level
नहीं नहीं एक ग्रेड मु ए लेवल की ए ग्रेड कहूनी
तो सेटा तो मेन आज ओ लेवल की आपण ओ लेवल कोड लगाई छी
सर्टिफिकेट रे ओ लेवल वाला को से माने नेई नहांती आज्ञा पुनी
ए लेवल की ओ लेवल कोड
नहीं जंती सब जदी ओ लेवल नहीं थांते
अगेट आपनकर कोन मते देखंतु
ना मोर सब जदी ओ लेवल वाला को नहीं थांते फाइनल सिलेक्शन नहीं थांता मु कहि न थांती किंतु एडीसी वाला को नहीं जंती अलगा ओ लेवल छडा अन्य बीसी वाला को नहीं जंती अलगा नहीं जंती पीजीडीसी वाला को नहीं जंती मते काहे की काटिले
आपण ओ लेवल काई कोडी लगाई छी
ओ लेवल वाला को नहीं जंती
मु कोड नहीं आपण को कथा कहंतु अलगा कोन नहीं जंती छाडंतु आपण ओ लेवल रा सर्टिफिकेट देखंतु मते
मोर वर्तमान अछि किंतु से दिन नथिला
के कोडी अछि देखा ओ से दिन नथिला माने पर कलटा हि जीवो
ता पर पाइची ता पूर्वरु मु एटा सिखुतिली बोली
परबनी किछि
एडीसी वाला
किछि परबनी आपण ओ लेवल सर्टिफिकेट देखंतु सर्टिफिकेट देखले मु कर दे पास ऑर्डर
एडीसी वाला को नहीं
आगे क्या को नेली मो मतलब ने आपण को केस से फोकस करंतु आर यू होल्डिंग ब्रीफ ऑफ अदर्स आपण को केस से फोकस करंतु जे आपण को सर्टिफिकेट अछि कि रेलेवेंट जो पकेला आलु आपण सर्टिफिकेट पके दिले नहीं आपण ए ग्रेड सर ए ग्रेड एंड
ए ग्रेड से मो आर्गुमेंट ए ग्रेड नो
मो आपण आर्गुमेंट ताले किछि नय ताले आपण आर्गुमेंट फॉल्टी आर्गुमेंट टोटली यू नो व्हाई because you are not able to show me where is the O level certificate you have produced. If you have produced O level certificate, I will pass order in your favor. You have not, then I will pass against you. Khatam. Good sentence. I am not going to do anything
other
more.
candidate are already
Other
taken.
candidate साइन मोर मतलब नहीं. आपण कैंडिडेट आपण देखि देंतु खाली ओ लेवल पास करछि बसिगला. आ को कैंडिडेट से माने ओ लेवल न थाई कि नै छन ता एफिडेविट फाइल करंतु ना पचारि को कैंडिडेट
Candidate serial number 2
लेखो
SC
लर्न कॉन्स्टिट्यूट पिटिशन सबमिट दैट
SC
serial number 2 कौन जल्दी फटाफट
काउंटर रे देइचंती आपण
serial number 2 कोड
serial number 2 गोपबंधु विश्वाला
गोबंधु विश्वास ताबरे
फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट ST कैटेगरी रे serial number 2 प्रेमांज भुई सिर कि ADC से भी एडवांस कंप्यूटर
आज्ञा एडीसी कोइबा कथा न कथा हला कि को लेवल से जानिबा दरकार
एठी ओ लेवल लेखा ना एडीसी लिखि जंदी ओ
आपन
लेवल
रिक्वायरमेंट लेवल लिखाई छी
एडीसी काहे कि हला बिकॉज़ सब्सिक्वेंटली क्लैरिफिकेशन वाज इशूड दैट ओ लेवल सहित इक्विवेलेंट जदी 2 लेवल रो डीसीए पीजीडीसीए एमसीए बीसीए सर्टिफिकेट दिया जिवो बट affiliated संस्था टू दिया हितो then that can those certificates will also be considered
क्लैरिफिकेशन किछि
सेटा
नाही
दिया
एडवर्टाइज
दिया हिची आपण निजे एनेक्सर करछंती
ना
एटा मिलॉर्ड इफ यू लॉर्डशिप
अरे से एडवर्टाइजमेंट पढी देता लेट हर हियर
एडवर्टाइजमेंट
रोहंतु आपण से पढिबे आपण सुनंतु
हां
पूरा सुनंतु
कंप्यूटर क्वालिफिकेशन affiliation letter certificate of institution by the government boards / university or institution mentioned in websites www.ugc.ac.in www.nielit.gov.in www.aict.india.org
सेटा एडवर्टाइजमेंट आज्ञा नुह सेटा 28 12 21 रे आपनकर पुनी थर करचंती फास्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट होची 24 3 2
होची से क्लैरिफिकेशन दैट इशू करा गला
क्लैरिफिकेशन केते बेले करले आपण आमे तो एप्लीकेशन अप्लाई करि सारिचु क्लैरिफिकेशन पछर करले केमति होबा आमे अप्लाई
एडवर्टाइजमेंट थिला कोन सेटा पढन
ओ लेवल तो थिला सेटा तो
ओ लेवल तो आपण नहीं
सेटा तो ओ लेवल तो देथान
सेटा एडवर्टाइजमेंट सेटा तो अछि
ओ लेवल जो माने
एडवर्टाइजमेंट हैज गॉट ओ लेवल रिक्वायरमेंट डू यू फुलफिल और नॉट इफ यू फुलफिल योर यस यू आर नॉट फुलफिल यू आर आउट खत्म एते कथा कर गला
Receive the clarification
this is like mathematics I'm saying just like mathematics if you have
advertisement after advertisement he has clarified the
even if clarified forget after advertisement आपण ओ लेवल मते देखांतु सेटा छाडंतु मु सेटा इग्नोर कर दोछि आपण ओ लेवल मते देखांतु कोडी अछि ओ लेवल नाही आपण टोटल
ओ लेवल न थाई कि अन्य
न थाई अलगा मानकर मु जानिनी आपण केनि जानले अलगा मानकर केनि पाइली आपण
मेरिट लिस्ट रे अछि
केनि लिखाई छी
मेरिट लिस्ट रे अछि
कोन लिखाई छी
तांको काउंटर रे भी अछि
कोन लिखाई छी पढंतु
मेरिट लिस्ट रे ना अछि
अरे नाटा थिले हेला से अछि आपण जानली केंती आपण को बाटो जानले जी
सर्टिफिकेट क्वालिफिकेशन कंप्यूटर सर्टिफिकेट एडीसीए
भगवान आपण को बुझेबी केते मु कहली से एडीसीए जे से ओ लेवल की कहार एडीसी आपण केनि जानले आपण को निजे त क्लियर नै अलगा मन एते कथा जानि जंती आपण निजे त कोइ करू नांती मोर
ना ना एडीसी हमर प्रे मोर
आपण एडीसी रे माने कोन ओ लेवल सेटा इक्विवेलेंट की मु जाननी
ओ लेवल रा ऊपरटा ओ लेवल टा होची बेसिक
आज्ञा
कंप्यूटर
ए लेवल टा लेखा
बेसिक कंप्यूटर ओ
लेवल ले ज्ञान रे केते अननेसेसरी आई कांट हियर लाइक दिस नॉन स्टॉप की सुनना दी की का कथा
लॉर्ड
आपण गोटे काम करंतु से का ना दे देंतु ता ना से माने को सर्टिफिकेट देथिल देखंतु मते हला गिव द नेम
को लुक मैडम को कैंडिडेट पूरा
नेम केते कहंतु
सीरियल नंबर 2 सीरियल नंबर 2 लेखिचंदी आपनकर पेज नंबर 29 देखंतु
हां से आउ का
सीरियल नंबर 2 गोपबंधु विश्वाला
मार दिला आउ कर
at SC category ST category रो सीरियल नंबर 2 प्रेमांज भुयु BHUE हां ए माने
हुए सेला
ए दीटा कैंडिडेट को के से माने के
I'm state to take instruction on the two candidate नाडा कोन आथर गेले आपण कोन
गोपबंधु विश्वाल एंड प्रेमराज
भुए
प्रेमराज भुए
ओके हला and their details of their
Their
dates,
computer
including the computer qualification. Computer qualification, whether they are minimum O level qualified or not. No? This January.
But 3 weeks for us. 3 weeks for
24 January. Yeah. Next.
43.
43.
Well, actually, the petition is the Sarpanch. He representing all the farmers of his panchayat. Petition is the Sarpanch. He is representing all the farmers who have insured under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana.
कौन हला असुविधा?
क्षेत्र 2019-20 खरीफ season due to unseasonal rain, the crop damaged. They claimed for insured amount. Our claim is rejected on the ground that there is a public hindrance. Due to public hindrance, the crop cutting experiment could not be approved. Page 119. The counter they have filed, same stand they have taken. I have earlier after before this honorable court, this honorable court.
Public hindrance what prevented you to take police?
No matter.
Police can alien.
The CC should not be conducted. Due to public interest.
हाँ तो police नहीं करते थे. So what prevented the magistrate to do that?
There is another provision, alternative provision under the Prime Minister that provision has been applied.
What is the alternative provision?
If your lordship will see my counter,
What is the alternative provision?
my lord. There is a calculation has been provided in clause 21.1.1 on the revamped guideline. That implies that the threshold yield, if the threshold yield is less than the actual yield, there will be no claim. In the
Sir, to be very frank, unfortunately, the methodology adopted by your agriculture department is totally faulty, let me tell you. Even if your secretary has, on that day he came and he explained, I am not at all happy with the explanation.
It has been provided by the.
Sir, even that is wrong. I am saying that is wrong. It is not practicality. बसिले कृषि भवन रे बसिकरे एसी रूम रे formula बनेबे आ एपड agriculture field रे different scenery altogether. What kind of formula they are?
In the panchayats, the actual yield data for the Badda Anola is 1564 kg for.
Let the concept of the state submit that the petitioner submitted the crop cutting experiment as adopted by the present petitioner is the opposite party.
Crop cutting experiment has not been done because of the public intervention.
Sorry, crop cutting experiment could not be done because of public hindrances. Full stop. This court of the view that the department is not powerless to invoke police action if any hindrances was caused in the village. Full stop. However, they resorted to alternative provision, alternative method of crop cutting experiment, which seems to be a faulty one. Hence,
The union has to answer this one. Because it is their scheme, where they are implementing.
And ultimately the burden comes on me.
I'm
the insurance, I have to pay. And actually, otherwise also they say.
You have to pay, sir.
Lord, we paid more than 1 crore also to all.
Sir, crore
Except this
chado, apna auri debe.
नहीं हमें तो
प्रधानमंत्री बीमा योजना कराई कोटी कोटी चाषी पे कराई चाषी पे कराई पैसा
तापरे गला वाला को से क्रॉप काट के नहीं जाइछन्ती
क्रॉप रखिथिबे आपण जीवे को मासर रे क्रॉप रखिथिबे सेठी
नहीं क्रॉप काटिंग हला पर तापरे जानिबे केमते होइल तो सीसी कंप्लीट नहीं होइछि सीसी वाज नॉट कंप्लीटेड
चाषी क्रॉप को रखि बसथि वर्षा डे हो काली कोन ताको प्रॉब्लम ने बुझंतु आपण क्रॉप कटिंग क्रॉप आपण धरंतु वर्षा डे रख नष्ट होई जो काटिबिनी धान पाचिला तो काटि
समस्त को दिया है एक्सेप्ट दिस 3 panchayats there is no vested interest for us because there was a problem with them that's why
not for you because of the identification issue.
Yes.
Okay, you take instruction not consider state to take instruction counter chhada to se counter kichhi lekhi na
You have to go ask for.
aur calendar counter kichhi nahi neither here nor there
मत थोड़ी कॉपी दे दे
Guideline issued by the union. So India has to answer whether it is the faulty one or it is the right.
That's not a good answer. Good.
We cannot go beyond this calculation.
Do one thing. Let's. Union India party banachandi.
No, Union India not at all. Is no picture in this.
A scheme je apanakar
The sanctioning of
Kuda.
No.
Bima odana
It comes from central government. We are the insurer. It comes from the central government.
Pension premiums na debo. Adanga bihavre paisa apna central government paisa diyante na
No, Deben, kintu tar definition of a
premium debo central government.
scheme is formulated by the government. Central
Government might have formulated, but the premium is given by the government. That's fine.
Correct, but we acted on the scheme. So he's right. The Union of India should answer this, whether this scheme itself is a faulty one or it to.
Okay, Union of India party banandu. Party banandu. Let's see. And ask the petitioner to impede the Union of India party. Party banandu.
Lots may be permitted to implement on oral submission. Lots may be permitted to implement. Otherwise, on
Permitted to implement the Union of India.
Within 2 days. Lots
Within 2 days. List the matter on second, 3rd January. Next.
all cases, connected cases are.
Okay, all.
For 3 gram panchayat.
44.
44. My lords may kindly see order dated.
ଆପଣ ଏଗୁଡା ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଠିକ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ so many objections are
ନାଇଁ ମୋ ପାର୍ଟରେ କିଛି ଭୁଲ ନାହିଁ
typographical error has been made in serial number
that is in order sheet
acha order
my lords may kindly see order dated 21/11/2023 paragraph 3 of the my lords order a last chance is given to the council Lord Council for Union of India to file counter affidavit within
the
2
Union of
weeks
India
from today, failing which this court shall be in hesitation to impose cost on him.
who is from Indian of
My
India?
lords, Mr. Ponda is appearing, Satyavrata Ponda,
Okay,
but
his name is showing.
no, he's not available in court.
His name is showing. List the matter tomorrow. କାଲି ନହେଲେ କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇ ଦେବି ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେଇଦେବି ଲଗେଇ ଦିଏ ଆଗରୁ ଯୋଡି ଆସିବେ ଦେଖେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
non appears for the Union of India as per the order dated କେତେ ତାରିଖ order ଥିଲା
21/11/2023
21/11/2023 let the last chance be given to the Union of India for filing the counter affidavit within a week, failing which rupees 1,000 be deposited with the Legal Services Authority, State Legal Services Authority of Odisha. Let's matter. 2nd January. ସେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ
ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହାଫରେ ବି ଦେଖିଥିଲି କଥା ହେଇଥିଲି ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ମତେ କିଛି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେଲେ ନେବ ନା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଦେନାନ୍ତି ବୋଲେ କଷ୍ଟ ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଦେବେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ 1000 କରିବିନି ସିଧା ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ 25,000 କରିବି ଅତି କମରେ 25 ତାପରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେବେ ବଢିଆ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦେଉଛି ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଚାନ୍ସ ବି ମିଳିବନି ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 48.
48
For the opposite.
କଣ ହେଇଛି
But here the final order passed by the permanent
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ
is challenged, my lord.
କଣ ହେଇଛି ଏଥିରେ
My lord, the permanent local adalat is directed to close the loan, to release the property documents, and as well.
ସେ 1000 ଟଙ୍କିଆ ହେଲା ସେଟା
ନାଇଁ
ଏ କୋଟା
এটা তিনিটা account লা গোটে totally technically মানে the without jurisdiction the order because 22C fixes 1 crore pecuniary jurisdiction to the permanent local adalat. Here, my lord, it is involved more than 1 crore. Dispute involves more than 1 crore. Admitted. So they should not have delved into the dispute. And our application, our proceeding under the Surface Act is also struck down by this order.
କେମିତି permanent surface type କରିଦଉଛି?
Lordship also viewed many occasions in this court that this permanent locodelas now they are acting
Harakiri.
more than the judicial forums.
Who permanent
Baleshwar.
Baleshwar. Is it permanent Baleshwar?
As per order passed by the
But file kale reply file kale?
I have already deposited the award amount before the bank. Bank has been received on 9/11/2023. Thereafter, they have not returned me original documents.
They didn't do.
The amount directed is not
15
acceptable to us.
15 lakh ଟଙ୍କା order ହେଲା ମୁଁ deposit କରିଦେଲି ତାପରେ bank ବି receive କରିଦେଲେ DD.
Let me take up the instruction. Let it come.
Yeah, for the bank.
From the bank.
Okay, let us from the bank. 6 weeks time to take a 600 days matter. 9th. 9th.
Interim order.
Interim order to continue. Next. 47. कौन है जी? They mentioned in the morning.
Yes, I was not there, that's why I don't know.
Okay.
Date 124. I was even absent for 1 month for the marriage of my daughter. So it may be kept in February, anything.
Okay, February, no problem. 8 February. 8 February. तो कह देवे आपण 1 हाँ आपण फाइल कले आपण मेंशन कले हमको न जणे कि हमें मेंशन कले आपण को न जणे कि कहे so and I told him, have you inform other parties? Yes. Okay. Next.
Item 49.
Your Lordship, for item 49, I am appearing for opposite part number 1 and 4. Your Lordship, I pray for kindly only 2 weeks time to file my counter.
आर्ग्यू करो जब भी खाली टाइम मांगिलो ये तो प्यार से तो एडजमेंट मांगो छो प्यार से आर्ग्यू कला होंदा नहीं सब दिन एडजमेंट मांगी चलियो संसार टा केन चलियो जब खाली एडजमेंट मांगतु किछि आर्ग्यू कलेस नहीं कोन पे एडजमेंट मांगतु
Your Lordship, counter टा रेडी ही पारनी सेटा दिल्ली ऑफिस पठिया पड़ियो सेति पे ठीक है
दिल्ली ऑफिस
आज्ञा
ठीक है this the matter on 17 January.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
You are for the opposite party, right?
Ajna.
Learn concept of the opposite party. What is your name?
Jyoti Priyadarshini Tripathi.
Jyoti Priyadarshini Tripathi. 6 weeks time to file the counter. This the matter 17th. 17th January, right?
Obliged, Your
Any
Lordship.
problem? No. Okay. Next.
Item 50.
50. What is it? Yeah. Non-APS. List the matter on February 7th. Go there. February 7th, है Next.
Item 51.
51.
The counter is required to be brought on record by both the opposite parties, both the bank and the LIC similar. Date given to file the counter.
Counter.
Yes.
Okay, 2 weeks.
In the first week of January, if you
Yeah, for the?
And for the bank.
For the bank. Welcome to the bank. 2 weeks time to file the counter. You?
I am for the petitioner. It is for the LIC.
LIC. And Mr. LIC. 2 weeks time to file the counter. List the matter. 12. Next.
Obliged, Your Lordships.
Item 52.
52.
Please, Your Lordship.
I am appearing for the State Pollution Control Board, opposite party number.
आपण कौन है
Prefer 2 weeks time, file the counter.
यार कितने काउंटर प्रोविजन फाइल करियो जब देखला खाली टाइम 2 weeks टाइम 1 week टाइम
टमाटा देबे pollution board.
हां एते टाइम ले केंदी हो आपण कौन हला
So on last occasion, they took 2 weeks time to file the counter, so.
Last pollution control board 2 weeks time to file the counter as a last chance. 2 weeks time granted for filing the counter, failing which punitive cost shall be imposed on the council for the pollution control board. Next. List the matter on 18 January. Next.
53.
53.
Item 53, I am
Manoj, item
on VC, my
53.
lord.
I've been served a counter just yesterday, Manoj. Manoj, I have filed 2 IAs, Manoj. Your lordships have stayed the invocation of bank guarantee because it is being invoked by a person who has already given away his rights to Watco for invocation, Manoj. That is Annexure 14, Manoj. For Annexure 14 series, your lordships have already stayed. Unfortunately, inadvertently, my lords, one bank guarantee was left out, my lords. That is 1673. That may be made a part of the record. I'll file an amended writ application. We have already 1673. IA number 19876.
Flag 10.
Flag 10.
Milords, I am appearing for the opposite partner of 4 Milords.
In the file reply.
So, what for Milords? My
Please.
response submission, Milord, this as regards for bank guarantee that is going to be lapsed by 31st December. If this stay order is continued, then they will this bank guarantee they can no more, and the penalty cannot be recovered from this agency. That means the contract.
Your lordships may direct us to extend the bank guarantee.
Yes.
Okay.
I am appearing for the bank, my lords. Item OP number 9 and 10.
ଆପଣ ଦେଖ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଖାଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ କିଛି କହିବା ଦରକାର ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି କାମ ନାହିଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆରେ
bank guarantee
presence-
extend କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ let the party petitioner
Petitioner.
extend the bank guarantee for another 3 months.
Yes,
My
And
presence
my,
will
my
noted
lords,
on.
this letter may be included.
My lord,
Kindly included. Page 7 ରେ ଆମେ ଦେଇଛୁ.
Page 7 of what?
IA, that is 19867 at flag 10.
My lord, may I just submit one thing, my lord? I have no objection if the bank guarantee is extended because that is also necessary for this case. But now, if at all they are extending the bank guarantee, so let they extend it in favor of Watco because now Watco has come into picture.
We will do it.
That is what he is saying.
No. My lord, they are
No.
We are extending the bank guarantee because this dispute, my lords, actually what has happened, my lords, we were working under Orissa.
Watco came later.
Yes. So I am appealing for the
came
erstwhile
later.
employer.
Successor
Since
in
now the Watco is there.
Yes.
Once the bank
I'm
guarantee.
saying in favor of Watco.
What? Yes.
Yes,
That
my
would-
lord.
Petitioner to extend the bank guarantee in favor of the Watco.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Let the petition copies of the petition be served on me.
Okay.
We will serve.
Watco and list matter January लगे दूसरी.
आगे.
अब 3 मास और बढ़े जाते.
February 1st week.
List matter on 24th January.
My lord. I'll file counter in Proceeding number 4.
All you file counter in the meantime, whatever who are.
Malas, amendment may be allowed, Malas, and this letter may be also stayed.
Which one?
Malas, one bank guarantee has been inadvertently left out. That is,
which one?
IA number.
Inadvertent left out. आपने पर नवा पर करियो आपने left out कौन?
हमें दे दीचु, IA दे दीचु.
नहीं fresh आपने नवा करियो बरा?
नहीं है क्या?
आपने extension करियो ना?
Extension करियो.
नहीं सब गोटे बाकी अच्छी.
गोटे बाकी रही.
Which one?
Malas, flag 10 रे अच्छी IA number 19867 of 2023.
Flag 10.
Yes, sir. Page 7.
Okay. Which one?
It hela bank guarantee.
Item number कितने? 4, 5, 3, 2, 1.
All my lords. This letter has been missed out, my lords.
Okay. The bank, the land council, the president submitted that on the earlier occasion. The letter dated 15/1/2023.
Letter number 1673.
1673 dated 15/11/2023, which has been missed out.
Inadvertently left out.
Missed out. Hence C6.
From Annexure 14 series.
The Annexure 14 series. extension of this bank guarantee, right?
No, this is another invocation of this.
Invocation.
This needs to be stayed.
This
Okay, which is required to be stayed and accordingly stayed. Hala.
deeply obliged.
Not that extension part time also.
Extension. What co?
And all the bank guarantee which is expiring be extended. Khatam.
In favor of what?
In favor of what? In favor of what? Hala. Okay. Extended by the petitioner. Hala. Next.
Interim orders may continue.
Interim order to continue. Next.
Deeply obliged.
Item 55.
Yes, Lordship, I already saw.
This is matter. 10th.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Item 60.
60.
60 may be less. Last occasion, my last was issue notice to the opposite parties.
Yeah.
In the said case, the present petitioner challenging that the 6/3/2019 passed by the Lord James C. Jolesor to set aside and quash that out or mallership, and in which case mallership that where the cause of action arise in West Bengal, but the complaint has been filed in Odisha mallership, and when once cause of action accrues to the complainant, the jurisdiction of the court to the
notice is easy.
notice issue ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି କି
ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି appear କରିଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଏ
କିଏ
କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
appear କରିଛି?
Mr.
Siddheshwar
S.
Mahanti.
Maheshwar.
Lord counsel for the opposite party, Mr. Siddheshwar Mahanti, S. Patnaik and D.S. Shah shall be present before this court on the next date of listing, failing which adverse inference shall be drawn against the petitioner's advocate. List the matter. Failing which it will be taken adversely.
Interim order.
Interim order continue.
Well, obliged.
61.
61.
Non-appears, list the matter January, February 22 दे दे.
I'm sorry, madam, item 50, madam. Filing regional.
50. Item 50 January, February. List the matter February, January 24th. क्या दिया थी? 7 January 24th कर दीजिए ना ठीक है.
Your lordship has item number 61. Your lordship has fixed any day.
61.
22nd.
22nd January.
February.
February. Okay, February ଅଛି. ହେଇଗଲା ହେଲା
ফার্স্ট আওয়ারে
তো আমার জুনিয়রকে ছাড়ি দিতে না
হ্যাঁ সেটি তলকটু পড়ে
কত নাম্বার এটা
50
ইয়ার টেকেন টাইম ঠিক আছে টাইম দিয়ে না
ডিপ্লোমা